Já, heyrðist ekki því.
Fuck what all the other guys say for
Oh.
your sake. Heading out
Let me see.
San Francisco to buy me a pistol. Wanna bring you along, babe. Fuck what all the other guys say for your sake. I can't remember these last few days. Brain getting foggy, boys are smoking tons of face. Diamond necklace, champagne, country club with tennis court and Sunday game. Cause girl, you know it, I'll be your guy. Posted out in California drinking wine. Don't wanna lie, when I see your eyes I get all shaky, so come along. I'm heading out to San Francisco to buy me a pistol. Wanna bring you along, babe. Fuck what all the other guys say for your sake. Heading out to San Francisco to buy me a pistol. Wanna bring you along, babe.
What's up, chat? How we doing? Brrrra! 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 How we doing? Brrrra! Hold on, wearing a cap. You know how it is. It's that time of the year. It's that cup season, chat. Cup season. How we doing? How we doing, chat? How we doing? How we doing? What's up? What's up? What's up? We just announced the tours, chat. Let's go. We're so back. Brrrra! 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 Finally, first 5 dates of the European tour have been announced. Thank you for subscribing. W Tiny bad word. Yo, what's up? What's up? What's up? You brought snacks just to watch this. That's wild. Not gonna lie, that's wild. Anyways, nice to see you guys. How we doing today? Everybody happy? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yeah, we announced the first 5 tour dates. Binni is also here. Binni, say hi.
Oh, hey guys.
Yeah,
How are you
Binni is
doing,
here.
guys?
Yeah, Binni is here, chat. Go crazy. Go W Binnis and at the Renos. That's right. That's right. Yeah, it's gonna be lit, chat. Going on tour. But this is just the first thing that we announced. Let me pull it up on stream. I want to show you guys. Check this out, chat. If I go to Instagram, I'll do this. Hey yo, thank you for the bits, Bitterinos. How we doing? All right. Hey yo, check this out, bruh. Wait. Vibe. Boom, borim. Ba-ba-da-ba. Ba-ba-da-ba. Wait, chat, check this one out. Brrrra. Brrrra. We're so back. We're going on tour, but we're gonna play video games though today. But I just wanted to show. See, we're going here in Norway, Trondheim, Oslo, and then we go all the way to Finland, Helsinki, then we go to Stockholm, and then Copenhagen, and then we go down in Europe. We go to all of the main places, you know, Germany and all of those epic places. But today we're gonna play video games though.
Yes.
Are we gonna come to UK? Whoa, I don't know. I mean, UK was number 1 on the list, so might be. I will not tell. Germany League? I don't know, chat. I need to stop talking. I'm yapping my ass off here. But today me and Binni are gonna play a game that I haven't played for a while, and we played it like last year a couple of times. We were always playing it. It's a pretty good game, not gonna lie. It's a game about ducks, chat. We love ducks. Ducks, chat. It's called Duckside, and it's like Rust, I think, but with ducks. Binni, have you joined the server? Binny, are you there? Binny!
Yes,
Complete-
yes, I'm here, I'm here.
Is Finland for underage? Now I think all, I know at least Stockholm and Copenhagen will be 13 plus, but I don't know more. But they will reveal everything soon, chat. Yo, chat. Check this one out, mate. Alright. I am duck, chat. I am duck in world. I'm duck in world. I need to put some chill music on, chat. Let's go for my chill playlist, I think. I think that's the dream. Alright. Just a little bit of music on there. No, that's not chill. We need hype. Hype. I'll pull up my hype playlist. Hype rap. Let's go. We're so back. Alright. I'm gonna be a duck today, chat. Look at this. This is me. I'm duck. And I grab materials. Because today we're gonna win video game. We're gonna win all of the ducks. Binny, where are you?
I don't know. Wait, I am... Wait, the map.
Wait.
I'm in K5.
What do you mean? K5? On the map,
map.
yeah. Wait, how do I pull
Yes.
up the map, chat? I am just stuck. I'm just stuck in video game, bro. I'm just collecting my materials. I got so much sulfur and canned porridge and syringe, chat. I'm just collecting the materials. Give me those materials, bro. Okay, I got so much materials. Okay, wait. How do I pull up the map? Is it M? And you are where? We need to link up.
I'm in K6.
K6. Okay, now we need to find K6. Okay, K6 is just straight ahead, I think. K6, let's go. Wait, am I going right direction now? Bruh. Thank you for bits! Check, I can fly, chat. Look at me. I fly in video game. Look at it. I'm just stuck chilling. And I got one axe, and I can just bring... And this is also like online, so there might be some people here. I hope I don't get stream sniped. Okay.
Let's go.
Wait,
We need some materials.
Wait, where are you, bro? Where are you?
K6, I think.
K6. Yeah, I've asked you like 10 times, I forgot. Alright, I'm going, I'm coming. Wait, is there... Alright, chat. We're gonna win this. We have to build a house, you know. That's the most important thing. Because when you are duck, you have to win. What's the game's point? The game point is to get guns and kill the other ducks, chat, obviously.
And make a base.
We have to make a base. That's kinda the main thing, I think. So chat, let me know if you see other ducks, cause I will... yes, I will. Yo, chat, see, and like here is a base, you see, okay? Maybe we can break into the base. It's so... Oh, it's open! No way. Yo, they forgot to lock base! Yo! I got free stuff, bro! Somebody forgot to lock the base. They're probably outside. I'll just grab this real quick. I'll grab this. Coke! We got Coke in video game. Wait, I'm kinda scared if they come home now. Because I'm stealing other stuff. I think I got everything, not gonna lie. Wait, did I miss something? Nope. Yep, I'm out. Oh my god, that was scary. Bro, I got so much stuff. Someone forgot to lock their base. I win! Let's go! When I finish school, I'm going to see all the Minecraft videos. Yes, sir. There are more coming. We're not stopped. Oh, yo, there's someone here. Is it you? K6 flying. K6 flying.
Yes, I'm flying.
Oh, I see you, bro. I'm under you. Go down.
I'm down. Oh, let's go.
What's up, bro? How we doing, brother?
Bro?
How we doing? Yo, bro, I got...
Make a base.
Yo, bro, I got Coke, bro. I got Coke. Look at it.
You got Coke?
My favorite drink.
Oh my god.
I'm drinking it all.
I only have beer.
You got beer, bro. That's not useful. Take this Coke, bro. Take the Coke. Here.
Can I take Coke?
Take Coke. I put it down for you.
Where is it?
Fanta better than Coke, bro. No. Or maybe. I don't know. It's here, bro. Look here. Straight in front of you, bro. Here.
I don't see it.
Here!
It's oh my god. It's not on my screen.
Oh my god, I'll just take it. Okay, wait. Wait. We need to do a
Yes.
team. We need to do a team. No way. Coke in Duck Game before GTA 6. I know it's wild. It's wild. It makes no sense, chat. Wait. Yo, I got healing stuff and arrows and fiber and gunpowder. We can use that to make the guns when we kill the other ducks.
That's crazy.
Sorry, that was accident. I swear.
Oh my god. I
Yo,
almost...
yo, bro. Where we dropping though? Where we gonna make the base?
Think we
Yo,
should
can I do emote in Duck Game?
I don't know.
Should we fly and find the base place? Let's see. Yo, bro, look, there's a huge base over there. We need to raid it. It's over there.
Where is what?
Wait, I
Oh
moved
wait, we have,
chat.
wait. Come to me. Where are you?
Wait, I'm moving chat accidentally on stream because the mouse thing is always an issue. Okay, wait. I'm here. I'm up. Where are you, bro? I'm here.
Are you up?
Wait, how can we be team in video game again? I forgot.
Because yeah, I need to come up to you and press like something.
Yeah, I'm here. I'm the same place we met, bro.
Yes, I see you.
Come here up. Come on. Thank you for following. Okay, yo, bro. Yeah. Give me the goodies, bro. How can we be teams? Invite to squad. Okay, I press F5 to join.
Oh my god, now we're on team.
Wait, are you on team now?
Yes.
Actually.
Okay, I'm 1 HP, thank you so much.
Oh wait, did I hit you?
Yes.
Oh, that's sorry. I got bandage if you want.
That would be great. I don't have anything.
Okay. I raided one house. See,
Oh, no.
bro, check out that house over there. Let's see if it's open. Then we can raid it and get so much loot, bro.
Let's do it.
Come on, let's go. It would be a great before we make our house that we do this. Chat, do not stream snipe me. Come on, you know me. We've just been chilling, bro. We've just been chilling. Wait, I'ma move this here.
Can I eat?
Eat? You want to eat? What do you want to eat?
Oh, I'm eating canned food.
Canned food, yo. Yo, see, check out this
It does
base.
nothing.
I feel like it's a simple base. Like it's... Oh my god, what happened? Thank you for subscribing, W. Anna Omelichik. You really are the iconist icon. Hey yo, check this out. Yo,
I got killed.
there's a base. You got killed.
Yes.
Where?
Oh my god. Under bridge.
Under bridge.
Oh my god.
What do you mean?
Yes, there are like guys there, but not
Okay.
ducks. It's like NPC.
Okay. Wait.
Whatever.
There's nothing in this house. It's Nothing Burger house. Sit here, Nothing Burger. I'm sorry, house. Wait. Are you gonna find me? Yeah, you can see me on the map, right?
Yes, I see on map. I will come to you.
Okay, where should we do the base though? We need to find a good place. Maybe just up here. Wait, someone's shooting me!
Yeah, it's probably NPC.
It's not the other ducks on the server. I hope not, chat. Can you speak Dutch? Europapa? Question mark?
Europa.
That's Dutch, right? Chat.
It is.
Since when can ducks shoot? Yeah, that's what I thought. I was like, bruh. Wait. Hey, yo, check this. We're so back, bro. Okay, what do we need for the house? I need a hammer, right? We need a hammer.
Yes, we need hammer.
I'll grab a couple of trees, and then we can build the greatest house in ever video game. Let's go. I will build this house. WO's client chat. Europapa. Imagine we could be just be ducks. Yeah, bro, that would be real. That would be so fun, chat. Not gonna lie. Hey, yo. Bang. And bang. And bang. And bang. And bang. And bang. Hey, yo, chat. If this does not deserve a W in the chat, I don't know what. Yo, okay, wait. I'm flying over. I'm seeing maybe there's someone's trying to kill me. Yo, I got like arrows. I might be able to kill someone. There's
Yeah.
a person over there.
Kill him.
Should I?
Yes.
Can I do it in the middle of air?
Oh, yes.
Oh, pretty bad bow, not gonna lie. Wait.
No, the bow is so fun.
Okay, wait. Wait. Check this video game skills. Video game skills. Did I hit him? I don't know.
I don't know.
Wait, I don't know if I'm hitting this guy. Oh, I hit him! He's so gonna die, bro. I'm sorry. Let's go! I killed
Coming to
him!
help.
Do I get his gun now? Don't remember. Yo, I got feathers! Jack, the feathers thing, they are important. They are like the currency in the game.
Yes.
Yo, where you at, bro? I can see you in the distance, bro.
I'm not that far from you.
I killed one guy in video game, bro. You missed it. It was
That's
wild.
cool, chat.
Oh my god!
Wait,
Yo,
hold on,
thank you for
how many people are watching
subscribing.
you?
389.
That's crazy.
That's what I'm saying. Vibe gang, strong gang. Everybody knows this. Yo. Okay, we got some more feathers, but we need to build house, Binny. Where do we build?
Yes, I'm going to kill the humans that killed me.
Yeah. Do the revenge thing, bro.
Yes, of course.
The revenge thing is always like chat. W kill. Yeah, I'm telling you guys, it's wild. But wait. I'm gonna get these trees real quick. Because chat, in this video game, it's very important to... Oh my god, there are more people! Bro, I'm literally trying to talk to my friends in the chat. What is this? I'll have to kill you too, I'm sorry. Wait, maybe I eat first. I do this, and then I eat this, I get health, right? Right?
You can eat berries and something.
Yeah.
God.
Bruh.
I got so many buddies. Okay, guy. Thank you for the bits!
Oh my god, there are so many guys.
No, we should be good. I think so.
Oh, headshot. Oh my god.
Did I kill him? Bro, I'm not
Headshot.
Hunger Games level bow artist, so don't... Chat, don't... Oh my god, I'm bad at Hunger Games. I hit him, I think. Oh my god, I'm so about to die, bro. I'm literally about to die in video game.
Me too.
Oh my god. This is kinda scary, bro.
God.
Wait, how many berries do I need to eat, bro?
My god.
Oh wait, I got 5. I got this. I got health pack, of course. Alright, now it should be good to go again. Where is this guy? Oh no! Bro, the NPCs are the worst, bro. Bro, I can never hit. I'll have to go closer. I'm sorry. Let's go! I win! That was so embarrassing for him. Only got feathers, but I think that's okay though. We kinda don't need anything else. Hey yo, somebody already made a start of base. Should you just finish this one here? Check this, Binny. I think it's a good place.
Oh, did they not put the duck statue on it?
Nope.
Oh. Okay, yes. We'll just use it.
Yeah, come here, bro. We can build our beautiful base here.
Wait, I'm killing humans.
Yo! Somebody died and left us everything.
Okay, let's go.
Metal fragments.
Oh my... Is that you?
What?
Oh, hello. How are you doing?
What? Where are you?
I'm just trying to kill some humans.
Wait, is there duck here? Where you are?
Yes, that would be great. I only have a bow. There's someone in game.
What? Where? I'll come. Tell them your friend is coming.
My friend is coming.
Yeah. Tell him to wait for me.
He killed all the humans.
Yeah. Tell him I'm also very poor. I don't have any things.
He's helping.
Wait, is there like a pro guy helping you? Is he like pro?
Yes.
Oh, nice. Wait, I'm coming.
Thank you so
Don't-
much for the help.
Don't let him.
He went away.
Oh. Wait, what did he give
Fuck
you?
Guy. He gave me nothing, he just killed the guys for me.
Oh. Wait, did he talk to you in voice chat?
Yes.
What? He must be a great guy.
What a great guy. New friend unlocked. Real chat.
New Binny friend. I wish I could have met him. We could have been best friends. Hey yo,
was so
Binny, come on, come on,
Oh
come
my
on.
god, he took the thing.
Binny,
Oh my
Binny,
god,
I
we
found the
can't-
place. Follow me, follow me.
Thank you for follow. Dixa. And
What?
Milansa. Thank you so much.
What? Why did you say thank you for follow?
Oh, do you hear me?
I hear you
Oh my God,
twice
you
now.
heard me?
Oh my
Oh
god!
my god.
You have to put the in-game thing, like
Oh my
press.
God. I will fix.
Oh my god, this guy's crazy, bro.
Uh,
Yo, I think my inventory is almost full, bro. Yo, Binny.
yes.
I found place for base, follow me. Okay.
Oh my god, let's see it with
Oh my god.
Okay, okay, let's just put voice chat off for now. Okay,
I'd bet.
let's see the base.
Yeah, come on, follow me, bro. It's come on. It's this direction, chat. It's this direction. Wait, it is this direction, right? I think so, yeah.
Just saw a title from last night.
Ha, what?
Wait, you
What
still
you
hear
say?
me?
Yes, I hear you, bro.
Oh my god, I have a toggle mute, but it's not working. Hello.
Wait,
Do you hear me now?
yes, I hear you very well. Chat, you hear Binny, right?
And you hear me now?
Yes,
Oh my god.
I hear
It's not
you
working.
way too well, honestly. But that's all good. Hey, now I hear you normally, bro. Nice.
Oh my god. I was trying to mute myself sometimes when I'm talking to chat, so you don't have to listen every time I say something to chat.
Ah, yeah. It's all good, bro. Okay, check this out, Binny. Check this.
I will fix. Yeah, this is good start.
Yeah, that's what I thought. And they even got some loot for us here.
Let's go.
Inside the bags, bro. I think I will grab the hammer here, honestly.
Yeah, take the hammer.
And
Lot of wood also.
oh my
It's
god, I hear you so way too well, bro. Way too well.
in game.
Yes, bro, it's so loud. Binny talking into a pregnancy test. Real.
Oh, into a
Binny
pregnancy
audio
test.
quality is. Wait, oh my god, this is wild.
Wait, sound. What the?
I will start building walls. No worries. Don't mind me.
Game.
Yo, chat, this is very important. We don't want people to raid our base, you know. We should be good. I got so much free wood here, so I think we should be pretty good. Not gonna lie, pretty good.
You hear me in game also now?
Bro, I hear you like better than anything I've ever heard in my entire life.
What?
What a silly question.
Oh my god, wait.
Of course I
I'm
hear
trying
you,
to
bro.
fix in game. It's not. Oh my god, I have to apply. Okay, wait.
Bro, forgot to press apply. That's wild. Wait, oh my god. Yo, chat, check this out. I'm doing the greatest defense of all. We want no
You
one
hear
to
me now?
break into our house. I
In
hear
game?
you. No, I'm not in game. You fixed it, I think.
Okay, let's go.
Yo, Binny, help
Pro
me.
gaming
We're gonna
works.
build this house all the way to the top.
Yes, I'm going to help, but I need to wait. Keybind.
Yeah. We got so much material. It should be so easy. Bro. Hey, yo, check. I did. See, chat. I did house, chat. Look at me. I did it myself. No help from Binny this time. No help from Binny. I'm telling you. Okay, wait. We have to do like a entrance. Maybe we just break these guys. Dismantle. Wait. Dismantle. Yo,
Hold on.
Yes.
How do we craft again?
Hammer.
Yeah, wait, how do I pull up that?
There
we
is
have
hammer
to
here.
craft
There's
hammers.
hammer here. There's hammer here in this
Okay.
bag. They left us it
But I
as a
don't-
gift.
But how did there's some button to be able to make stuff.
Yeah. Right click, bro. Just right click. So you take here, and then just right click.
Okay.
Wait, my mouse is
Alright,
always going to the
alright.
second monitor. It's so annoying. Wait,
What?
chat, does anyone know how to fix that?
Bro.
I don't know. Okay, check this. Wait, I'll do here.
Ah, yes, door.
See, entrance.
Okay. Do you want
This
to
house
make
building
floor
game.
on this?
What floor?
On this?
Yeah,
Oh,
sure.
God. No,
Chat,
I
how
mean,
does my house
a
look?
roof.
Yeah, let's do the roof. How does the house look so far? It's pretty cool, right? I'll take this. Big Vibe, can you tell me something lucky? Lucky, that would be a like a leaf with 4 things on each side. That it's very lucky if you find that. Best house ever, thank you chat. Best chat ever, not gonna lie. Wait, blip, and
This is
blip.
simple, yes.
Free inventory. Bro, I need to create chest. How do I do that? Crafting. Where is chest? Yeah, we need to unlock all the crafting things. I'll create some chests. Wait, I'll have to put some things away. I'll keep some things here. No, it's all full. Alright.
Oh my God. It's so hard to build and fly. Wait, maybe I don't fly. Yes, this is better.
Wait, what? What is this? What is this, bro? Okay, wait.
Oh my God.
If I go here, go to crafting, I can make chests, right? Let's create a couple
You
of
should be.
chests. And I'll put all of the
How
chests
did you get
here.
into the crafting?
You go into inventory and then press crafting. Then you can craft whatever you want.
There you go.
Oh, look at our beautiful house. No one's ever getting into this, bro. No one.
Way.
We're
No
so
way.
winning, bro. We're so winning. We're so winning, bro.
Why can't I
Wait.
make floor? Oh, I need to build
Yeah. You do pillars, bro.
rooms.
Pillars, bro. They're important.
pillar. W pillar.
Double pillars, chat. Okay, let's do chest room here. This will be chest
Or
room.
maybe.
Wait. Item can
Oh,
be
wait.
placed.
Yeah, our base is decaying.
You must be owner of the base. Bro, how do we claim the base? Yeah, we need to craft the thing, right? How do I craft the thing? Chat, anyone knows? Oh. Wait, how do we do it? Actually, I don't know. Do you know?
Do I know what?
How to claim the base?
Yes, we make a statue.
How do we make statue?
You go into nest? Okay, I make it.
Okay,
It's
Benny,
coming.
save the day, come on. Before our base gets, like, cooked. We don't want that, bro. That would not
Let's
be good.
put the statue right.
Right up in the
right
middle.
here.
Yeah. And then we need to put some things in it, right? It's locked, you have to open it for me. Hey, yo!
Wait, you hear Halfdan twice?
W Linaros Poros for feeding Vibe Turtle. Vibe Turtle needs feeding. It's here in the background. Look at it. W Vibe Turtle is always watching the stream chat. Everybody knows this. Hey, yo. Okay, wait.
Okay, I think I fix it.
Yeah, can I now use the statue, bro?
Yes.
It's locked, bro. It's locked.
Oh my God. Wait,
Open
hold
it.
on, you hear me?
I hear you. Yes.
Okay, wait. How register players? Register players swag.
Yeah, register me for the base, please. That would be nice. I built it. It would be tragic if I built base and cannot use. Otherwise, I'll have to destroy it with my axe. I'll destroy the base one block at a time. Hey, yo, I got the base. Alright, I'll accept. Thank you. Is it now mine? Let's go. Alright, let's do the feeding time. Yeah, chat, you have to put wood into this or else the base will die. You know, we don't want
On
that.
your end. Okay, that's good.
Actually, we might
You
need
heard
to.
me twice?
Might need to upgrade that thing. Bruh. That's all I have to say for this. How to upgrade? How do you upgrade again? I don't know. Do you remember? It's been a while since we played this stuff. Why is there floating things? It makes no sense. Oh, it's the things I built, obviously.
You hear me, Haldan?
Oh my god, I built things and it's just floating. Yes, I hear you. I hear you.
Are you talking about how we upgrade the wood?
Yeah.
We have to... If you use the hammer, and then you can just... We need rope, though.
I got rope, I think. Yeah, I got rope. I'll put this here. Yeah. We got some stuff, chat. Thank you
we
for
need
the
some rope.
bits. Wait.
Yes, I'm
Okay.
making rope, so we can upgrade.
Nice. I'll just put things into here. I got like... Wait. Yeah, I got like 100 ropes. Wait. Left mouse to upgrade. Oh, yo! We're upgrading, bro.
Yes, sir.
Sorry. Okay, the face is gonna be amazing. Look at it, chat.
Okay, I'll make walls.
Yeah.
Okay, build here.
We're also at a very good
Yes.
place, I think. Wait, I think this is actually
Disassemble this.
one of the best places to build a base in video game. Yeah, let's go, guys. Let's go. The base is getting beautiful,
Half
not
the
gonna lie.
damage is true.
Yeah, bro, I'm very allergic. Allergic reaction, chat. Don't don't make fun of me. Come on, we're all friends here. Wait. I need more
Oh my
wood.
god, I'm going to make hat.
Yeah, do it, bro. Make some huts,
Mm.
Boy, make some huts. I dare you. Hey, yo, this guy just left us like
It's a
so
pretty
much
chill-
wood.
chill one.
This is like literally the easiest because we literally just spawned here and this guy just gave us like thousands of woods. Wait. Whoop. Oh, how can I upgrade? I need to upgrade this. Thank you very much. Bruh, thank you for the bits. We're so back, chat. We're
few
so
bits.
back. Sorry.
I hate sleeping, chat. I hate sleeping.
Sleeping, chat. What's your opinion on sleeping?
It's nice to sleep, but I hate going to sleep.
What? I like sleeping. It's one of my favorite activities. I think, yeah, but not.
It's so boring.
No, it's so like relaxing when you're just watching YouTube, go to sleep. That's so much me, bro.
I don't like sleeping.
That's strange. I think like sleeping is the most important thing, bro. Because
It's important, yes.
if you get a bad sleep, your day will be bad.
That's
Or
true.
like a hard, you know. The worst thing is
I
like
just-
when I'm having a rough day, like the morning after, and when it's late, you know, it's extremely late, and you know like you have to wake up so early. That's the worst.
Yeah, that's true.
'Cause then you're like, oh, I don't even need to sleep now at this point.
I get you.
Wait, I need more wood. Thank God the guy gave us so much wood. Thank you for the wood.
I made a coat on the doors.
Okay, what's the code?
It is
Yeah,
6789.
6789. All right, that should be pretty good, right? Check it out. The house is already ready now. We should be pretty good, I think. Halda, we know you love sleep. You were late to everything in Eurovision. Bro, what do you mean? Not everything. But I might be the last guy in the lobby. But we're not late, I was just last. There's a difference between being late and being the last, I think. Right? Am I right or am I right, chat?
So right.
Sorry. I always have something in my throat. We don't want that. And yo, I think
I'm
the
making
house is
floors.
almost ready, chat. Yo, it's actually a
Almost.
pretty solid house. Can we have like wallpaper or something? It looks kind of bland.
It's wood.
Yeah, it's wood.
You don't like wood.
No, I love wood, bro. It's amazing.
This is our cabin.
Yeah, I kind of like this. I like how people don't know where to break in.
It's so.
What?
You're a funny guy. Hold on.
What?
You hated this 1 second ago, and when I said I liked it, you're like, yes, it's pretty cool.
Yeah, no, I mean it's cool. I mean, yeah. No, like, you know, depends on, like, you know. Sorry. Wait. Yeah, I like it, you know. It's not like my average. It's not like my house or anything, but
No.
it's pretty aight. Halda, please drink some tea. Oh my days. I'll drink tea for you, chat. I'll make some tea for next video.
Next video.
Live stream. I call my live stream videos.
Wait, and then I make door here.
Yo!
Second floor.
Ah, bro, there's someone attacking. Yo, someone's coming. Someone's attacking, bro.
Oh my god.
They killed you, bro. Wait. Hello, I'm good. Don't kill me. You can take my stuff. Don't kill me, bro. Oh my god. Oh.
We're just making base and they destroy. Oh my god.
Oh. We're cooked, right?
Let's try to go again.
Wait, where was
We're
our
just
base?
chill ducks.
I was so chill. Wait, where was the base? Do you know?
Yeah, you can see where you died.
Wait, where did we die? Yeah, here. Okay, we'll go there, chat. We'll see if it's still here. Oh my god, this is so sad, guys.
It was so funny listening to you sell out, just telling them to take all your stuff.
Yeah, bro, I just don't want to die, you know. I'm just stuck in video game, chat. I'm just stuck in video game. Just stuck chilling. What a duck.
Dude, just what the duck.
Duck
We
boy,
had no
chat.
loot.
Am I now duck boy? What is
Duck
this?
boy.
This guy had guns. He's too evolved, bro. He's too evolved, chat. Wait. Ah, I forgot. The music is not on. Wait, I'ma put on the music. That's my favorite part of video game playing. Hey. We're so back, chat. Let's go.
So back.
Alright.
Let's get
Beta out of freak. Bitches, kick. Bro, not again, bro. Don't kill me.
Are they killing you again?
No, it's NPCs. Yo, I found a house, actually.
You found a house?
Yeah. And it's open. Okay, I'll take it. Thank you. Okay, thank you. Free stuff. We're back. Yo, we built a house next to like a huge house, I think. Might have been a
Oh,
bad
did we?
idea. I think
my
so.
God. Are they still there?
No, I don't think. Wait. It should be good though. I think so. Free stuff, chat. Haldarin is criminal era. Bro, I'm not criminal. Mama, I'm not criminal. Yeah, here it is. Did we lose everything?
No, they took almost nothing.
Actually.
No, yeah, we're good.
Okay, nice.
Oh.
So he just killed us for the fun of it and then went away. That's so strange.
Yeah, really strange.
Wait, where did I die? I died here, right? Yeah.
I need to get some more. They took our wood though. Oh my god.
Yeah.
I'll
That's
go get some
fair.
more wood.
Yeah, we're good. Wait, what is my plan here today? Get the materials, right? We need to build
Yeah, get
something, right?
materials.
What's the point of the
Yes.
game again?
Build base, kill ducks, have fun. I would say. That's
so
pretty
true.
much the point.
Wait.
I think objective of the day, kill at least one duck.
Yeah, let's try to kill up there. Oh my god, what happened? Thank you for feeding Vibe Turtle! It needs feeding. Alright. We should be good. I got so much wood, bro. No worries.
Let's go. Yes, me too.
Don't mind me, I'm just killing tree. Sorry, tree, it's just like Minecraft. Where can I buy tickets to Helsinki? Pre-sale link will go on sale tomorrow. You can sign up on the website. It's vibe.is, and then you can sign up to pre-sale link. And then the people who have signed up to the pre-sale link can get early access to the tickets, because we want that people. Oh my God! We want people to get tickets that want to go.
Okay, let's make second floor here.
Yeah. This will be the best floor, honestly, I think.
Yes, this will be the main floor, I think.
Yeah. I'll build some walls also.
You have to make some doors.
Oh no, wait, I forgot. Yeah, sorry.
You can disassemble.
I'll disassemble this, sorry. You will have to go
It's
by
okay.
wall. I'm sorry. Wait, okay, check this out, Chad. I'll put the door here, and then we do more floor. Okay,
Yes.
wait, and now I can upgrade this, right?
Disassemble.
Wait, yeah, like this. Okay, nice. Okay, wait. Wait.
Wait, hold on. Let's actually should we put some windows?
Yeah, let's put the window here.
Yes, this is a great place for a window.
Yeah. Then we can look out and see our beautiful palace.
Yes.
See, we can
yes,
watch.
this is, oh my God. This is just like my house.
Honestly, kinda, not gonna lie. Hold on, do you have to play some? You have to play some Russian music. All right, wait. I'll put on my favorite Russian music artist, Chris Winter. Chat. Let's put him on.
No, okay, wait.
Chris Winter, let's go. We're so back. All right. Russian music is on. You know what this means, chat? Russian time. Every time we hear Russian music, that means we have to kill 3. Everybody knows this. Alright, chat, let's go. Bruh.
What's your biggest fear? I would say the ocean and bees.
Are you scared of ocean, bro?
Yes.
I think my.
I'm not scared of the ocean itself. I'm
scared of what's under.
Yes, I'm scared.
Yeah, you're
if
like
I'm
Matti.
In the ocean. Yeah, and you don't know what's under you.
Yeah, that's also what's Matti's fear.
Oh, okay. It's a great fear, guys.
Yeah, no,
That'd be a fear.
I'm not scared of ocean. I'm more like scared. Yo, bro, when I almost died in the plane to Iceland, then I was kind of scared.
Yes.
I'm usually not scared of heights. Wait, reference?
Yeah.
Okay, anyways. But I'm usually not scared of heights. But when we were in that plane the other day and the lightning struck, I was like, bro, it's over.
It's over.
Yeah, I was shaking. It was like literally, bro. When you're in plane and lightning hits and like this plane starts shaking and stuff, like, bro,
That's
I was
pretty
thinking,
scary.
I was shaking. I was like, ooh, that was so scary, bro. I was like, bruh. I said like, bruh, you know. No, me and Gulli and Matti were all scared. We were like, I was like, bro. We were all like, it's over, bro. But then somehow we made it out alive. Don't get hit by lightning, Halton. You're so cool. Thank you. I'll try. It would not be good to be hit by lightning. Not gonna lie. It would kinda
You're
ruin
so
my
funny.
day.
Hold on, please don't go bold.
All right, I'll not. Chat. If I
think.
get
Yeah, that's
500
my favorite
subscribers, I will go bald. No way. No way. Yo, we're actually
bald,
almost
hold
at 500 subscribers on Twitch. We're like 469 subscribers.
Come on, guys, give him 500 subs, then you go bald, guys.
No, I will not go bald. I will never.
That's
go
what he
bald.
said. You said
No,
it.
no. I will do funny hat stream. I will wear funny hats. I promise this.
That's
I'll
true.
let-
Wait, how many subs do you have?
Wait, I can see it right. 469.
469. Damn.
And they're all my best
No.
friends. La 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 la, I'm duck
I don't
walking,
like
la 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 la
cockroaches
la, I'm
either.
duck walking, la 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 la, I'm duck walking, la 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 la, I'm duck walking, la 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 la. I'm just duck walking, oh my god, wait. Why does my, oh my god. Wait. Okay, what do we do now, bro? La 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 la.
Should
I
we
just watched-
rate? I think we go together and get loot.
Yeah, let's get the loot,
Or
bro.
wait, let's close.
Hey, yo, my
close
favorite
the
Norwegian
house
song
first.
is on. Wait.
What song? Kyle?
What song? Oh my god, that's so embarrassing. You had to ask. It's Beklager, bro. Obviously.
Ah.
Yeah, let's raid some guys. Let's go. Let's get those kills in, bro.
Boom, boom. We need to close the house first, so people don't get inside.
Yeah. We don't want the other duck to come back. That would not be good.
No. Bad duck.
Wait. Oh my god. My favorite thing about Norway, except for Juli Svingen, is probably Balenciaga Beklager song. Wait, I got no idea how to get out of this house.
What do you mean?
Oh no, it's this way, right? Bro, we made a maze, bro.
That's the best thing to do.
Yeah, that's honestly true. Yeah,
To make one-
Beklager!
Wait, hold on.
Beklager!
You have to make hat.
How do we make hat?
You can do it in crafting.
Okay, what do we need here?
Binni Sirius hat stream versus Haldan Silly's hat stream, real.
Yeah, I'm silly hat streamer. Wait, where do we go raid, bro? Where do we go raid?
Wherever.
Okay, you find the place, I just follow you. I got
Oh
bows.
yes, you remember when we see a yellow check mark, that means something's going on. That's like a loot. Oh
Okay,
no, this is a pretty big base though, and we only have bows. Let's
I
maybe
only
do
got
a
6
small
arrows. I got 6 arrows, bro. I don't think I need more though.
You have 6 arrows.
Yeah. I don't need more.
You can make easily.
What do I need to make arrows?
Uh,
Wood and stone. Okay, wait, I'll go back, make arrows.
I get safari hat, guys.
Wait. Wait for me, Binni! I'm just flying, I'm just duck flying, making armor.
Duck flying. Mhm.
Alright.
Wait, I see a duck.
Don't kill it, bro. Or actually, try to kill it, honestly. It
Yes,
might
I think I kill it. He's AFK.
be- Wait, actually.
Yes.
Nice. WAFK duck, chat.
Oh no, there's a human.
Okay, let me think he was not AFK and you died.
No. Oh my god.
Classic Binni fail, chat. El Binni die in
No.
video game. Classic
No.
Binni, bro. He always does this. I'm telling you guys.
Okay, I get. Oh, I
They,
get kill.
yeah, there are humans in this game. Yeah. Wait, did you kill someone?
I killed human.
Nice.
Oh my god, he's coming after me. Another one.
Okay, where did it?
Oh my god.
Oh, color monster. It's like picking
so
it
low.
between my babies. Yeah, it's all good. I'm good. Oh wait, I'm not good. I'm gonna die. Wait.
No.
Strange. For some reason I died. I don't get it.
You died?
Yeah, I think so.
Oh my god, hold on. Okay,
Can I
I
spawn
take
in my
revenge
house,
for you. I
please?
kill him.
Respawn in my
Okay, now
house,
I-
please.
Oh my god. Now I killed
Oh my
duck.
god, I spawned somewhere in the middle of nowhere. Wait. Where am I? Bro, I'm not that
Oh, wait,
far away.
duck
I
die.
think. I'll go there. Wait, there's a
Oh
house here.
no, it's
No,
Haldan, guys. No.
No, I died. Don't die, clown boy.
Oh,
I'm
you have a
sorry.
rotten corpse. No.
I'm not rotten. I'm real.
There are flies on you. Oh my god. Look at Haldan, guys. Can we get some Fs for Haldan?
No, chat. I'm alive. No worries.
Oh my god. He died. Oh my god.
Bruh, thank you for the
guys.
bits. Goats, chat. You're all goats. Wait.
F Daggy.
Okay, I should be good.
Oh
What?
god. Humans?
No! Okay, I'm going up. We're going up, chat, in Duck World. Wait, there was a duck flying here. I swear. Oh, maybe I'm just
Hate these
tripping.
humans.
I'm just probably tripping.
Can't foot. Does that do something?
Yo, we're so back. Hold on, you are Bomborghini Gusini! That's so true, bro. That's me, I'm the brain rot guy. That's, yes sir, that's me, that's right.
The little water, yes.
Wait. Okay,
Trick shot.
I need to grab my stuff. It's here somewhere, wait.
I kill him.
Wait,
That'd
who?
be a trick shot.
The duck?
No, the duck died just here on the roof.
Oh, did he have
I
loot?
didn't even have to kill him. The human killed him.
Nice. Okay, wait. Okay, I got
Oh, he
the
has
stuff,
nothing.
bro. Okay, wait. Where are the humans, bro?
I've killed a couple. I know there's another
Ah!
one. Oh wait, somebody's shooting. Okay, we kill him.
Where?
He's down here.
Yeah, I see.
Oh my God. No, I'm flying on him, man. Okay,
Bro,
I'm good.
that was scary, bro. Okay, wait. We should be good, chat. It's all good. Cappuccino,
Good, good thing.
assassino, Bombardino, crocodilo. Let's go, chat. Bruh. Ah! Oh my god.
I
This
do
game
that
is
on
too
YouTube.
hard, bro.
Oh.
Wait,
He's coming after me.
I don't get why my mouse does always go on the other side of the screen. It makes no sense. I'm playing this game, but why does it go on the... Oh my...
Oh my God.
Yeah, bro, it's too hard, this game, bro. I'm always dying. It's tragically, not gonna lie. Duck Massacre, I know. Yo, I got house. Should we break in? No, it will take forever. It will take forever and we need to create the bombs. That takes like a couple of months
I
to
die.
get. Yo, bro, should we just play Overwatch?
Honestly. Let's play Overwatch, guys.
Yeah, let's play Overwatch.
We're so good at changing category.
Yeah, no, I don't. I like that when we're not doing good at this game, we just leave. Quit game.
Rage quit.
We
Oh
rage
my
quit
God.
and we play another game, chat.
Let's do it.
Wait. Alright. Let's go for Overwatch now.
My main is McCree.
Wait,
No, they
I
changed
need
his
to
name.
remember my...
Cassidy.
Wait, what's my password for Overwatch? Do you remember? I don't remember.
No, I don't remember your password.
Chat, does anyone know my password for Overwatch? I don't know
But-
what it is.
Don't leak it when you're writing it.
Hey yo, W Anna Teresia gifted 5 subs! That's for you, the goat.
Let's go, Anna Teresia.
Wait, did it work? I've remembered my password. It was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's go. Hey yo, thank you for feeding my turtle. Alright, we're playing Overwatch, chat. We're gonna win. I'ma go grab a Monsterino. I think that should be the strategy here. Not gonna lie. Nice. Okay, nice. In this game, my mouse stays on that one thing. Okay. Let me do this and do main, chat. Let's go. We're playing Overwatch. Because me and Binni are the goats in Overwatch in Iceland, I think.
What? What did you say?
Are you good at claw machine games? Bro, I'm so good at claw machine games. I got Enderman in claw machine. Bro, are you good at claw machines? Hey yo, loot box. Let's see what we get. I thought they got rid of loot boxes. Wait, loot boxes are back in Overwatch, bro. Yo, nice. Yeah, let's equip this. Yo, Binni, where are you?
It's loading.
Nice, bro, nice. Okay, chat. Check my main. My diva is my main. She's my favorite.
Saltan is always tank and I go damage.
Yeah, let's do it together now. Let's do some competitive, bro. I tried a couple of competitive. I died
Yeah.
a couple of times, but chat maybe
No.
remembers. I don't know. Diva 2.0 era. Yeah. We're so back. Very sorry, but I don't see what's it. I hate Overwatch with passion. Oh no.
Binny,
wait.
Tommy Castans. No, not again.
Binny hit the dance. Yeah,
Wait,
I
hold
saw
on, you hear
it.
me?
Yeah, I hear you.
Oh, okay, I thought that was muted.
No, you can. I want you to do the Tommy Cash dance. Honestly, that would be crazy.
No, I've done
bro.
it. I've done it before.
Hi, Selena. Bro, 70k coins. Buy some skins. Bro, I'm collecting the coins. Okay, we buy one skin. All right. What guys should we buy skin on, chat? Paul, chat. First person I see, I will buy. Let's see what skin we buy. I only see Tommy Cash. Mercy skin. All right, we buy Mercy skin. Okay, this is my skin so far for Mercy. What skin should we buy? Should we buy? What looks good?
I'm in, guys.
I never play Mercy, but sure, I'll buy the skin. Oh, accept, nice.
What do you want to play all down?
Competitive, bro. Let's go.
Let's go comp.
Kinda like this one. This one's kinda cute. Okay, I'll go tank.
Let's go.
Oh, I didn't get to buy the skin. Alright, we'll do it after we win video game, chat. No worries. Tank on top, chat. Everybody knows this. Open battle pass. Yo, they got battle pass. Okay, I'll take this. Thank you. Free stuff. Of course. Yeah, bro. Also, they changed it. Did you know that?
Yeah.
You can
no,
ban
This
heroes.
is like League of Legends.
Ah. Yeah, we should be good though, I think. Wait, I'm gonna set up my gamer setup. Move. Okay, what heroes do we want to buy? We got double power here. Binny, are you there? Hello?
Yes, what?
Yeah, what heroes should we ban? We got double powers. Who's
I
annoying?
will ban.
I'll just do what you think is good.
I will ban.
Yeah, what?
No.
Wait. I'll move this. And
Oh,
we'll go back. We got 10 seconds.
Ban... Where is she? Moira.
Moyara. Oh, I got no time to think. I just had to pick 3 people. Oh my god, sorry, I had no time to think. Oh.
Okay.
I just picked someone. I don't know.
Okay,
I
whatever.
just picked someone, Binny. I was panicking.
It's okay.
I was panicking, bro.
I hate Moira. No, Moira, my goat. No, I hate Moira. Oh, it's... Yeah,
Moyara. Yeah, she's kinda annoying, not gonna lie.
she's
Okay,
so
we go
annoying.
Diva! Of course, you know me, chat.
I got Cassidy.
Chat, Diva cosplay at 500 subs.
Will you do it?
No.
That would actually
no,
go crazy.
Not in real life. Maybe in video game. Or maybe I would
What
for
do you-
1000 subs.
In
I'll do
video
it for 1000 subs.
Oh, that is so funny.
You have to join me.
Can't change the world by following all the rules.
I would do McCree cosplay, but I want to see your Diva cosplay. That would go crazy.
Imagine, bro. I'm set for Diva cosplay. Alright. We'll have to see. Alright, now we win video game, guys. Everybody knows this.
Let's win video game. Oh my god, I'm lagging.
I need to ask the voice chat also. Yo, what's up? Wait.
I'm
Yo,
lagging.
what's up?
No.
Does the voice chat work? No, not apparently.
Was it not? No.
Okay. Alright, wait.
Oh my god, I'm lagging, guys.
No, don't lag, brother. I will have to buy
I can
Binny a
fix
new
this when I
PC
die.
soon. Binny, how's your birthday been so far? Has it been a dream?
Yes, it's been a dream.
Just playing video games.
I just woke up and started streaming, basically.
That's dream scenario, not gonna lie.
Stream scenario.
Stream scenario! Oh my god, I didn't even. Oh my god, that's so funny.
I
Wait,
thought you said that.
no, I said dream, but you said it. Whatever you said was so much funny, bro. Yeah, we're good, bro. Let's go!
Let's go.
Let's go, guys. I'm on fire, I'm so good at video game.
Sorry.
Alright. Wait. Yeah, let's go. Let's go get those kills, bro. Let's go get those kills. Oh, I need healing. Oh, I'm scared. That was close. Not gonna lie, chat. Vinny, your birthday gift is almost ready, according to someone in chat.
My birthday present.
Yeah. Your birthday, bro.
Oh my god, I can't wait.
Yeah, me too, bro. Hey, yo, check this. I'm gonna do the thing. Oh, double kill. That's pretty good, right?
Oh,
Chat,
double kill, really
Pog.
good.
Was this the Pog? Was this Pog, chat? Chat, did I do a Pog? Wait, Mercy almost dead. Someone focus on her.
God.
I can't do
Right.
in-game voice, so
Oh
I
my
can't
God.
tell anyone to do it, but I'll do it myself. I'm coming for you, Mercy. You're dying. Oh my god, I can't even kill Mercy. That's so embarrassing. I'll just kill this guy instead. Han Solo, chat, everybody.
Wait, you get ult now? No, what is this?
Yeah.
I
It's
Quick draw.
I'm dead. yeah. I don't know kind of what this is, not gonna lie, but
Okay.
wait, perks. Yeah, I forgot. I'll just do this. I don't really know what the perks are. I kinda don't understand it, not gonna lie, but we just move. Zero deaths, chat. Zero deaths. Zero deaths, chat. Bruh, thank you for
I thought
bitch.
I'd roll. Oh my god, really bad.
Alright, I'll kill
Gotta get
you.
those kids.
Yeah, we're good, bro. We're good. Yeah, we're very good, bro. We should be able to do this, I think. Wait, where is Dragon?
this.
Where is Dragon?
It's no problem. He went somewhere else.
Ah! I'm low. I'm scared and low on health. I'll have to take down the Mercy. Next game we'll ban the Mercy, bro.
Yeah, actually. We don't have mercy.
Yeah. Hey yo, check this out, chat. Back at it again, bro. We're so back. W's in the
Let's
chat.
go, hold down.
Zero deaths. Never lose at video game. Everybody knows this. That's so me. I never lose at video games. Mercy's gonna die. I'm sorry, Mercy. Never mind, she didn't die. But her friend died. 10-player kill streak. Zero deaths. Let's go.
You haven't died? That's
No, of
crazy.
course not, bro. I'm never died at video game.
That's
Maybe I
big
spoke too
news.
soon. Famous last words? Question mark? I don't know.
Oh my god, I die again!
No! First death in video game.
No!
Bro, we got 99 though. Yeah! W Reaper, bro. Bro,
Please,
no,
Reaper.
we might actually lose this somehow. No, but there's no way.
What? I'm so close.
Yeah, come on, go in.
need to lock
I need to lock in as well. I'm coming.
Of course
I'll do
it's
the
him.
perk, bro. I'll just choose something. I don't care.
What? Oh my god.
Where is the guy, bro? Yeah, I don't care. He's slow. But Mercy is on him. Oh my god, that's so much cheating. Stop the cheating in video game. Come on, it's free for all, bro. Everybody knows this. Yeah, I'm dead. Bro, imagine. We almost had it, bro. We almost had it,
Almost
not gonna
had
lie.
it.
This best moment of my life, you say my name. Ye for life. Ye for life, chat. We lose! Oh my god.
It's okay. Come back.
Hold the best team in the world? Question mark? That's wild. Wait,
I would say so.
I need to see this. Yeah. Okay, nice.
La la la.
Okay, it's all good. I think we should be able to recover, not gonna
It's
lie.
fine. Okay, maybe I go with
When will that be 50k special on YouTube? Yeah, we already hit 50k. When Matti comes home from Portugal. We'll do
Got
it.
50k?
My friends and I sank a Hashimoto party.
That's
van.
crazy.
Yeah.
So
That's wild, honestly. I remember still, we were so happy when we got like our first 100 subscribers. We were like, yo, we're so back. We're winning video game. We're winning YouTube. And now we got 50 and I'm like, whoa, that's wild. Imagine like 50,000 people in one place. That's wild.
That's so wild.
And they're all on our YouTube channel. That's wild. Erika Wickman mentioned, can you play horror game? Yes. I will, I promise. Oh! Alright, let's go. I don't like these upgrades I have.
Oh, mercy.
My... Yo, bro, I'm 1v1ing Hanzo, bro, and I'm... He's so dying, bro. Did you see that 1v1 chat? Chat, did somebody see that? Did somebody clip that? I hope somebody clipped that. Wait, someone needs to get Mercy, bro.
I'm trying. She's so
Nice. Because when Mercy dies, we automatically win, basically. Because
low. True.
Mercy is hacking. Using Mercy in video game is like using hacks in video game. Right?
So real. Accuracy.
It's infinite
So good,
health.
Thank you so much.
glitch.
Oh my god.
Alright. Should be good. Should be good, guys. Not gonna lie. Yo, somebody focus on Mercy. That would be a dream.
Hanzo.
Yeah, get out. That's right. Get out. That's correct.
Oh my god.
Nice.
Oh my god, Elaine.
Where is he? Oh my god, we died. No, we should be good though. No, we died. It is what it is. I'm happy for Thor. Ah, that's so good.
I'm not hitting anything anymore.
Bro, it's all good, bro.
No,
We
it's not
keep
good.
we keep on moving, boy. We keep on moving. It's all good. We can still win.
Of course.
It's very even game, not gonna lie.
Kind of.
Yeah, it is. As long as this Mercy dies tragically, then I should be good. Just trying to focus on her, bro. Nice, bro. Yeah, let's go. Yeah, that's right. Dice. Let's go. Oh my god. Oh, there the dragon goes. Damn. Not gonna lie. Kinda sad. We should be good though. We should be good, right? We got some ults in our inventory. We should be good.
Oh my god.
No, it's okay, boy. It's okay, boy. Boy. Boy.
Oh my god, I'm so good.
Boy,
I
don't
need
give
to
up,
go
bro.
McCree again. I never give up.
Yeah, we need to group up, everybody. Nice. Should be good, guys. Should be good, guys. Should be good, not gonna lie. I'm just trying to kill someone. Mercy is low. I need to kill her. Where is she? There she is. Nice! W's
Let's go.
in the yeah. Bro, there's no way we're losing this, bro. No! It might be my fault, honestly. Yeah, that's my fault, right?
We lose?
Damn. I feel like we did not
Bruh.
deserve that, not gonna lie.
I thought we got the point.
I feel like I got Pog. I don't know why.
Maybe you got.
Let's go! W Pog, play of the game. I always get Pog, chat. Look at me. That's just what I do. Look at this moment, chat. Look at this Pog champ moment. See, I got killed there, and
Oh
then
my god, such a good kill.
was it one kill?
Yes, no, 2 kills I think.
Bro, look, I got 1 win and then I lost 3.
Okay, now we win.
So I really need to get some more wins here. Not gonna lie. Best gamer in the world? Possibly.
Give me food, guys.
Possibly best. Wait, I'm gonna go grab a monster. I hope the game doesn't start. I need monster energy. You entertain chat, Binny. Binny
Yes, I'm eating.
Entertainment Hour.
How are we doing, chat?
Select your hero.
10 out of 10. Love you, mom.
Select heroes to ban.
W Dundee. Ben is better at less people and so I can play. Yes, I try to reply to all chats.
I panicked and picked random heroes because I saw I was I got 1 second and I picked 3 random heroes. I have no idea who I picked.
We banned Mercy though, that's really good.
Let's go!
Prepare for battle.
Alright, I'll go for this again.
Thank you so much for the bits, Densor and Khan. Thank you so much.
We got the monster chat. W Monster in the chat. My favorite vibe merch. What monster flavor? This is Ultra Strawberry Dreams.
Thank you, Densor and Khan.
Bro, you have no idea how many monsters I keep in my house.
And we have to ban Mercy, she's too good.
Bro, Mercy overpowered chat. Can someone send this to Blizzard? Make them ban her.
Please ban her.
My TikTok clip about you went viral. Let's
Wait, hold on,
go!
what skin do you have?
Bro, I got this one. It's check it. Wait, how can I do emote again? How to do emote? Ah, here, yeah. See, it's so beautiful.
Oh, it's so cool.
Yeah, it's so kawaii. Mercy cosplay at 100k chat. Okay, wait. Let's go win, bro. Now in no funny business, bro. No funny business, bro. They got Torbjorn.
I'm lagging.
Nice. Okay, we should be good. Wait, where's the heals? I need the heals, bro. I need the heals, boy.
Oh,
Yeah, we should be good, bro. Ah! Ah!
they have Torbjorn, come on.
Yeah, it's all good, Yeah, he's dying. I'm killing. No, I'm dead. Wait. Let's go. We got him. We're good.
Let's go. Bye, thank you so much for coming to the stream. Yeah, Torbjorn.
Woo-wee! Woo-wee! Regular Monsters is best. Honestly, regular Monsters is one of the best flavors. I should do a monster tier list. I think I'm one of the only people qualified in the world to do a fair tier list of monster.
Actually.
I feel like no one is more qualified than me. Wait. Nice, bro. Nice. Hey, yo, check this out, guys. Yeah, we should be able to kill them all, I think. Yeah, nice. I got some perk or something. Watch me care. I don't care about the perks, bro. I'm just here for the fun of it.
Real.
You know me, guys. You know me. Alright, try me, bro. Try me. I will kill you, bro. I'm sorry.
He killed me.
Yeah, we got it. Yeah.
My favorite song, maybe Very Disco.
Very
Daft
disco.
Punk.
What's that? Daft Punk. Yeah, nice.
Yeah.
Finny, what's your favorite Páll Óskar song?
Ég eins og ég
Oh, that's a good one. Spurningar is classic though.
Spurningar,
With
yes.
Birnir, bro. What's your favorite Birnir song?
I'm not a big Birnir guy.
Honestly, damn.
I'm sorry, yes.
Yeah, nice.
I don't listen to him a lot.
I feel like chat have no idea who they are, so
No.
it really doesn't matter.
No.
Nice, Binny. That's why you're the goat of the games, bro. That's you,
So-
Mr. Goat, bro. Mr. Goat, bro. Let's go, bro. Alright,
Let's
we're
go,
so back, bro.
chat.
0 deaths, chat. 0 deaths. 0 deaths, chat. Bruh, did you finish FNAF? No, I got that set up for my next solo stream. Then we're finishing FNAF. I will do a huge announcement, no worries. But
So
today we're winning Overwatch. Let's go. Me and this is probably the game me and Binny have played most together, I think. Right?
Yeah, honestly. Yeah,
Probably.
yeah.
Cause we started playing together like 2016 or something.
Yeah.
So, like, it's
Long
been a
time ago.
while. No! Oh,
No!
I wasted ult. I was gonna fly, but
Yeah,
I did
put
it.
it
The
in
charger,
front,
yeah. I flopped. Wasted ult. But watch me care. Wasted ult. Wasted ult. Oh my god. This wasted ult of mine might have cost the game, right? Might be.
Maybe.
Hopefully not. Wasted love. We need to wasted love
I'm so...
Overwatch party with wasted ult.
Actually. Oh my god.
We're good. We just need to regroup.
No, I've never played Little Nightmares. That's the trait.
Little-
Mario Kart stream. We can do it sometime.
Yeah, we need to do Mario Kart stream, bro. I played Mario Kart with some contestants in when I was in Basel. It was so fun.
Oh yeah.
Oh.
Was it with who was it with?
Germany and Lithuanians and yeah, I think Catharsis and then Cypherblood also. Right.
W?
Wait, I'm focusing. Sorry. Yeah, we're
Okay.
dead. We're dead.
Yep.
No, we actually might not have died here. No, actually, yeah. Yeah, we got it.
Let's go.
Wait, where is they? Oh, I'm scared. Chat, I'm scared. Yo, Binny with a
Let's
clutch
go,
puck. Clutch puck. Chat, clutch puck. Clutch puck of the game.
Oh my god!
Chat, you did not see anything. Okay? Shush. Shush. Chat, shush. 0 deaths, come on. Shush. Shush, chat, shush, come on. Shush. 0 deaths, come on. I never die.
No, we haven't played It Takes Two. No, we haven't played it.
Oh, we're going into battle! Go back. Retreat. Bro, I also have no idea what these upgrades I'm getting do for me. I have no idea.
I just do something.
Yeah, me too. Okay, we got the ult again. We might be able to save this.
Let's go.
Oh, bye-bye. Okay, I got one. That's better than none. One is better than none, everybody. One is better than one, but we get the point. Oh my god, you think you can trap me? You could never, bro. You're nothing to me, bro. Nothing. And you also, nothing to me. Nothing to me. We're too good at video game. We're too good at video game, Benny.
We too good.
Bang.
Easy chat.
Bang. Okay. I'll do emote because I'm so happy. Beep beep. Yo, 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 let's go, let's go, let's go! Wait. Oh, I'm scared, bro. Yeah, I might be cooked here. Not gonna lie. Oh. But imagine if I kill her first. Let's go! Oh.
How to Train Your Dragon, yes, it's a really good movie.
Oh my god, that's scary. How to Train Your Dragon, honestly, top 10 movies. Wait.
Yeah, it's really good.
Wait, how is the... I saw they're doing live action version of it.
Yeah, it's coming like...
Do you think it will be good?
This month or something.
Wait, what happened? Thank you for 55 turtle! Wait. Okay, no, we need to get the point. Then we win video game. Come on.
I think they take this.
Yeah, they got it, yeah. Okay. 0 deaths, chat.
Take next one.
Yeah. Let's move this up a little and then back here in the game. Oh! This is so scary, bro. Alright. Bang. Please lock in. Yes, sorry. I will not look at chat anymore. Chat, don't bully me while I'm not looking at you. Chat, you better behave. I'm not watching. I'm not watching, chat. Okay, we just protect this and we should win. Alright, where are they coming? Oh, they're there.
I've never tried Freya. No.
Alright, should be good. Hey yo, check this out, chat. Woo!
Oh my god. Solo, really? Oh my god.
No, I got him. I got this guy here. Nice. He killed himself. He finished the job himself. Thank you. Bang! Bang! Gamer gang! Gamer gang! Yeah!
Thank you
Too much,
so
thank
much
you
for the
very much.
follow. Oh, wait. No, the sub. Oh my god, that's crazy. Wait.
Yo, Benny. They're here. I found Soldier. I'ma kill him.
Thank you for the sub. Cesspit Princess.
Cesspit Princess!
No, Prince.
Prince!
Thank you for the bits, then Sura and Khan.
I need healing.
Yes.
Oh no.
Thank you for coming to stream.
Oh no, I think we can do it. The guy is low. The guy thing is low.
Yeah.
I'm only 1 on point. Oh no, never mind, I died. Yeah, I fumbled it. It's my fault. I get it, yeah.
It's your fault.
Why did everyone spam freaky? Chat! What happened?
Freaky.
I'm looking, come on! You said you would behave. Chat. What is this? You promised me. You just bum freaky.
Oh my god.
Okay, we got one of the healers. If we get the other one, then it's easy job. Yeah, nice. He's very low.
He's
Nice.
so
I got
low.
him.
You hold on.
Thank you, bro. Okay, we should be able to win this. We just need to stand our ground. Stand our ground, bro. Yes, he's so dead, bro. Nice. Stand our ground, chat. Stand our ground. We win. About
Let's go, we
time,
win.
bro. About time, bro. Let's go. We're so
Yes, it's your
back.
birthday.
What you playing? I'm playing a game called Overwatch.
Your gift is ready, Binny. Look at our chat channel. Okay, wait. I'll check it.
What? Binny got birthday present?
Yes.
W's. Freaky. Bruh. Okay, I just need a couple more wins.
I get 2. Happy birthday. This is such a cool drawing. Oh my god, happy birthday, most chill
Wait,
streamer.
let me see it.
Here's a birthday Walrus to celebrate. Thank you so much.
Let me see it as well.
You have to come to my server.
Yo, bro, invite me, bro. Send me link, bro.
No. Yes. I will.
Okay, I get
Wait.
it. While I'm in Discord,
This is so cool, guys. Thank you so much.
Let's see.
Both of them. Thank you so much.
Yo, chat. You remember this moment? We are not Jedward. Chat, does anyone remember this? This is one of my favorite t-shirts. This is so cool.
I invite you all down.
Let's go. We got the invite. Okay, I will not leak our DMs because I might have sent you my
There is
password
nothing
earlier.
in our DMs. Oh yes, but no, there's no.
Binny
Anybody
chat.
can join.
You chat. Check this. It's Binny from Binny
It's
with
Binny
white
from Binny.
glasses. Look at it. That's so cute.
You finished your drawing already.
That's amazing, chat.
That's so cool.
I love when Binny gets love.
Kinda proud.
That makes me happy. Alright, we're going for the Beatles t-shirt today, and yo, we play another game, right?
Yes.
Let's do it.
Give me 1 sec.
Yeah.
Okay.
Alright, guys, we're going in. Roa cap on. People think this is like our merch. It's not our merch. It's a brand called Roa. Just happens to be the same as our song. So we love that
W
brand.
Roa.
W Roa. Roa clothing. They actually make so good. Oh, pick hero. I'll be Diva. Of course. Who do you think I am? Diva cosplay. 100k subscribers. Keep reminding you, chat. We better reach that milestone. Wait.
Now we
Who
can
do we
join
ban? Who
guys.
do we ban? Mercy.
Yeah, we don't have Mercy, so we ban Mercy. I ban Moira.
Yeah,
and
let's
I
ban Moira.
Hanzo.
Hanzo.
Yeah, I don't like.
I'll just do that.
Hanzo.
Yeah, okay, I'll do that also, so we can hopefully win this together. That should
I'm
be.
banning your coach. No.
We're banning your coach, chat. No! No! Yay!
It worked.
No Moira, no mercy.
Welcome to Junkertown. Prepare.
Alright, let's go.
Select your hero.
No nonsense, chat. We have to win. Remember, no
Easy
need to
win,
lock
guys.
in. Oh, yeah, sorry. Oh. I forgot to do the screen. I'm sorry. That's my fault. Yeah, sorry. Thank you for reminding me, chat. I would have forgot to put this on. If you hadn't reminded me. The screen, bro. Yeah, sorry.
I hate when people run off without me.
Bruh. 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 Alright, chat, my favorite emote. Let's do it. Big Buck. Golden Gun
Thank you for
Steva.
follow Kitamori. Thank you so much.
No way!
Let me take the hit.
Alright, guys. Show us the game full
Did
done. Do you not see the game, chat?
Day of work. No, I'm going to work after 2 hours.
You're going to 2 hours, bro. On your birthday.
Yes.
I will
On my
show up
birthday.
unannounced and sing both songs for you.
Oh my god, can you please?
Imagine if I
That'd be
crash Spinach
crazy.
workplace. I think everyone would love it. Should I?
Honestly. That'd go crazy.
So then I'd have to drive all the way to Selfoss, because Spinning works there.
That's true.
Or does he? I don't know. Wait. Oh, now we focus.
And bartender. Yes.
Alright, we got some heals. We got another diva. Oh my god, how embarrassing. You think you can be better diva than me? Nah, nah, nah. No one is better diva than me. I am the best diva. Come on. Everybody knows this. Dorioso, babiri pere, now I am about to die. Oh no, I don't want to die. No, I want to live. Na, 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 na. Ah, sniper! We should have banned the sniper.
I will go sniper also.
Okay. 0 deaths, chat. Ah! Ah! Okay, we're back. They are pretty good at holding this, not gonna lie.
Yep.
Oh, and I die again. Okay, this diva is actually probably better diva than me, not gonna lie, but we move. Or maybe just better heals, I think that's it. That's it.
Maybe, yeah.
So look at my aiming, chat, look at my aiming. I'm best aimer.
Oh my god.
I'll go from behind.
Give out!
Ah! No! I thought I was safe. But I was not. I was not safe, chat. I was not safe and I'm dead. Oh.
Make, I don't know, just anything. It's really fun to make anything. Thank you so
Alright.
much for the bits, Popsicle. Thank you so much again.
Okay, this diva is really carrying.
Yep.
I would like to be the one carrying, but this diva obviously is. She's just better. This is. But check this out, chat. You'll go crazy for this. Nerf this. Oh. Never mind. Never mind. This was bad.
Healer low.
Nice. Yeah, we should be able to do this. Yeah, we got this. We're,
Solo.
yeah, I got this, guys. We got this. Yeah, we got this. Oh, who got who in which side? Our side?
Please leave some aura for us. I have no aura, guys.
W aura! Oh no. I'm just locking in.
Sorry, I'm not reading chat, guys. I'm
You're locking in, of
tryharding
course.
in video game.
Yeah. Nerf this, nerf that. I don't care. Nerf my ass, bro. Oh my god.
Ten seconds.
Yeah, that's
Wait,
not.
it's over. This is horrible,
Yes.
10 seconds remaining.
Yeah, this is kinda embarrassing.
0. Switching sides.
This was
guys. I think
definitely
this
worth
is one
my
of the
instance.
worst we've ever done on this map.
Probably.
Just can't lie.
Mm.
Thank you so much for the bits, Densura and Khan. Thank you so much.
Mm.
We need to get hyped up.
Mm-hmm. Do you like dinosaurs? Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. I'm eating. But yes.
Okay, frick it. I'll go Hanzo.
I always have snacks.
No, we want rage quit.
Bro, no. You lose one, you win one. That's always the thing. When you play roulette, you always win at the end.
That's true. That's what they say.
You're always like, wait, if you got like $5
Mm-hmm.
and always double it on the roulette, I mean, how many spins does it take to win like $1 million?
Up like 3 times or something. I think so.
Imagine turning $5 into $1 million in 3 spins. Vibe does not support gambling, chat. But I'm just saying. Nah, I'm joking though. Don't do it. Wait. Ah! Ah! Okay, I need to be in the front. I am the tank. I need to be in the front. Everybody give me heals. I'll try my best here. It's Diva v Diva. Okay, we should be able to hold this. We should be able to never mind. I should not make me pick someone else. But that's too late now. We're locked in, chat. We're locked in. Yeah, I got one hand. Oh no. The mic, bro. Sorry. Yeah.
Wait, thank you for joining stream.
One mic versus 100,000 hold on. Sorry. We're so back, yeah.
Oh my god, it's over. Do emote.
Alright. Emote. Maybe we got Puck.
Maybe.
Is it from Temu?
No, it's the other with the. Oh my god.
Damn. Think about it, chat. Look at his sniping skills. Is it aimbot? Was his aimbot Benny? What do you think?
Yeah, it's aimbot.
Damn.
Wait, he got play of the game for 1 kill? Oh my god. What is this game? Mucha machacha.
Does mic taste good? Nom. Chat, you know me. I eat microphones. Everybody knows this. My favorite food. Microphones. Alright, let's do more. I need to get to gold.
Look at SAT score.
What's that?
We get.
SCT? What do you mean?
It's like a. It's.
Free coins!
You
I
get-
need them.
You don't know what SAT scores are? It's like
SCT?
SATs. SAT. I don't know what it stands for, but it's like a test in America to get into college.
Ah. Yeah, I know what it is. Thank you, bitch! Okay, if you win, I make artwork for you. Okay, bet. Can you do Haldan in Diva suit, like the Mac, the Diva Mac? Me inside of this Mac in the Vibe costume. That would be kind of funny.
That'd be crazy.
That would be actually cool. I'll hang that up. Haldan inside Diva Mac. Imagine.
Select your hero.
That would be wild.
Erum að fá okkur, látum ekki
Get now, okkur. Are you listening to that?
Of course.
Let me pull it up also. Wait.
Choose heroes.
Sá best sem að síðast þær.
Mango. I'm gonna listen to that album as well.
Such a good album.
Yeah, bro. Best album of all time? Question mark.
I would say so.
Possibly, like up there, right?
Yeah.
All right. Oh yeah, Band Heroes. Okay.
Ban Hero.
I don't like
Og maybe I
Widowmaker.
play Flara.
Widowmaker.
Ban Vito.
No, actually we have Mercy
ban
on the
Sigma.
we have Mercy on our team, so we might not need to
Yeah,
ban.
don't ban Mercy.
Let's ban this girl. Let's ban this guy. Also, he's annoying.
So back.
My favorite
So
streamer
back.
who wins video games. That's me. All right, guys. Only 3 hero bans, and not 4. Damn.
Oh, what?
It's usually 4, right? I think so.
Mm.
Coming after it's a nib. So back. We're so back. Bra, bra. You have to win for big reward. Reward on the line, chat. Let's go, guys. Lock in. Diva locking in, guys. You know me. Bra. Alright, check this out. We're going for this.
Player.
Wait, is OG Overwatch ever returning, Benny? Do you know that?
OG Overwatch.
Remember, that was so fun. When
Yeah, that was really fun.
then we were like, got really back into the game. When they did like all
Yeah.
the OG stuff. That was so fun.
Yeah, this Christmas or something.
Yeah.
I don't know.
What's up, everybody? No, wait. It's only friends. I want to talk to voice chat. Okay. I hate these new guys in Overwatch. They destroyed the game. What did they do to my game?
That's so true.
Who is this guy, bro? Who even is this guy? Ah, this guy's low. I'll kill. Thank you. Yeah, I got it. Who is this guy? Why did they make new guy in Overwatch? Come on. I just want the old classic, the good old guys like Lucio and Diva. Chat, everyone. Diva be cooking. No, I was not cooking. Me when Pokemon. That's so real, bro. What did they do to my game? Well, who is this Pokemon here? Yo, I got some Poke cards I need to also unbox. I got so many.
Oh yes, from birthday, right?
Yeah. Wait, I don't like this guy. Who is this guy? Get out of my video game. Who even is this guy? That's right, nobody knows who you are. No one has ever cared about you. Ah, I died again. What did we learn for this experience? What did we learn? We learned... Oh my god, W Moira, chat. Let's go. We're so back. What? Nice.
No, it's not Moira.
Wait, no, who was it?
I don't know. New character, I think.
W new character. I'll try not to go bald, chat. I'll try. One day I might. But don't be mad at me. I'll just buy a wig. It's all good.
No, Haldan Vigara.
Haldan Vigara coming soon. If I accidentally go bald, it's all good. Ah! Okay, chat, check this out. I will save the day, no worries. I got you guys! Never mind, I did nothing. Bruh. That's so sad, not gonna lie. Ah!
Oh, I hit.
Damn. Alright, we got perk. Let's see what we can do. Extend the booster. Hitting an enemy with booster increases duration. Yeah, sure, let's do it. I don't care. Bang. Bang.
Yeah, Siggy. Siggy.
Yeah. W sugar. Oh my god, this guy is annoying! Get alive! Get alive, bro! Get alive! Get out! You sleep me, I kill. I'm sorry. Where is the guy? Here! Anna, you're dying!
Oh my.
There you
Got that
go.
Point.
Yeah, we got it. It's all good. Yeah, we got it. Now we just need to hold! Everyone hold! 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 Oh wait, I almost killed. Where did they go? Oh, there they are. Ah! Almost died, guys. Not very good. But check this out, chat. This is pretty good. Nerf this, chat. Nerf this. Oh, and this also. Nerf
Let's
this.
go.
Nerf this, bro. I dare you. Try to nerf me. Try to nerf me. Not smart. That's right. Get out. Never come back. That's right. Alright, we should just chill here, right? Alright, stay on point, everybody.
No, not Bob.
No, we're good, we're good, we're good, we're good, we're good. I got it, chat.
I'm alone on point.
Yeah, I'm here also, bro. I'm here. I got you, bro. This guy is so dead, bro. I'm sorry. That's just true. Yeah, we're good, we're good, we're good, we're good, we're good. Nice! Fine! That's why we're the GOATs, chat!
Let's go, chat.
Thank you, chat.
You have lightning storm, that's crazy.
When is Matti's birthday? 7th of December.
Major pack unlocked.
Just do that again, guys. We win with your game. Chat, we did do together. Oh wait,
We win.
convert 150 health to shields. Defense, what? Matrix restored shields.
Will you wear wigs? When will you wear wigs?
I'll just try this, I guess. Oh,
I'm getting.
since I won, you earned
No.
big reward. Oh my god, I can't wait. Is it Halfdan in Diva costume? In the Mac, bro? I want to see me inside the big Mac, bro. Hey, yo, let's go win, bro. We got this,
Boost.
bro. Yeah, we're so back, bro. Yeah, I might need some healing. Not gonna lie. Not gonna lie, mate. Yeah, that was bad. That was bad. You win. Alright, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go! Chat! Fine! We got this, chat, we got this. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Yeah, this guy's almost dead. This no, he's not. Wait, is he? I don't know.
That's.
This guy's so dead, bro. Nice. We got the tank, bro. We should be able to do this now. Yeah, nice. We're back. We're back, bro. Hey, yo, check this. Shh, don't tell him. I'm here.
Ah, I lag. I'm lagging. Oh my
No,
God, I can't
no, it's all good. It's alla Guterino, bro. Oh my god! Thank you for 1 month and Nexus agree. I hope I said it corrected. I was reading while I'm playing with your game. Oh my god, he got scared and changed character. Embarrassing! Embarrassing! We got this! We got
I was
this,
on
chat.
top. Okay, I got killed.
Nice. Yeah, we should be good, we should be good, we should be good, we should be good. Ah, no. Yeah, I'm killing this guy. Hey, yo, check this out. No, I killed nobody. Then I died. Tragic. Oh well. Oh well. How long did it take you to learn English? I don't know. Just watching YouTube videos when I was like 10 years old.
Surrender to my will.
That's all it took. I think I learned most of my English skills from YouTube and not from school, honestly. How about you, Benny?
Yeah, same for me.
Yeah, right.
And Cartoon Network and stuff.
Yeah. Ah! Yeah, that was a bad decision here for me. Yeah, I'm dead. Yeah, right. Yeah. Any tips on learning Icelandic? I don't know. Maybe listen to
Næturvaktin.
Næturvaktin. Ah, that's hilarious. But it's not like hilarious if you don't understand it, because like the whole
But
thing
it's
is.
so good to watch TV shows to learn.
Yeah, honestly, yeah. Næturvaktin and other comedy shows. Like, there are so many good sketch comedies in Iceland.
Yeah, actually.
We got way too many good episodes, bro. I'm alone on point, which is 5 people. Alright.
Okay.
Alright, what does chat say? I'll definitely check it out. Hey, I can do a list. I can send a list in Discord of best Icelandic TV shows. Partíó! Kópa sker í kvöld, drekkum brennivín og kópíkler í kvöld. Alright. Okay, 1-1. This should be possible.
1-1.
Maybe I gained a little too.
I think this should be possible to win. Yeah. Let's go, boys.
Go boys.
Sounds good. Yeah, that would be perfect. Yeah. All right. I will remember. Thank you, Danda. You always remember what I say, because I say stuff and I forget. Alright, now we just need to win. Very simple. Alright. Ah, what's happening? Wait, I need heals. This is embarrassing. Yeah, nice, we're on the objective, nice. What? Yeah, nice. Why did I go in for the fight? I shouldn't have done it. What's your favorite animal? Meerkats!
Meerkats.
Obviously. Yours is walrus, right?
Yes, guys.
Everybody knows
Yes,
this.
chat.
This is one of the most common question I get a lot.
Yeah.
It's just the animals.
Oh my god, thank you so much for gifting a sub.
Yo!
Mela Lily.
W, Benny! Making
so much for the
moves.
sub.
Biggest Twitch streamer. Biggest best Twitch streamer chat. Let's go! Okay, we got this, chat.
Oh
No, bad.
my god, thank you everybody for the follows. I'm locking in. Wait, I will read your names.
Ah! No!
Oh
I might
my
need to
god.
change our plan here, boy. Vibe checking had technical issues and it took 5 minutes to reach. No!
When I die, I will write it. Okay. Thank you for the follow, Warrior Monkey. Thank you for the follow, Annexary. Thank you for the follow, Mfish, Azik, Ituna Stream, Angel Blist,
Bro, how did I
and
not kill
FP
anyone?
Vibe. Thank you so much for the follows.
Okay, I might need to change character for this, honestly. Ah, it's too late, I think. Wait, I'll just go for it. We'll just go for it. We cannot lose this easily, bro. We cannot lose without a fight. Everyone go on point!
Of course not.
We're going on point, everybody. We're going on point!
Oh my god. So bad.
Alright. Now we should be good, we should be good. No, we should not be good. Damn, we lose. We will change character. You can show the costume you
guys.
prefer
Can't win them all.
for your artwork.
No way
Okay.
it's on Twitch.
I'll show what costume. Just the one I was, the Mac I was wearing. That was the swag. Just do that. That's my favorite. Alright, we leave in game, we lose. I get it. I get it. I'm not mad. I get it. I'm usually. Yo, what happened? W Kelsey Maxi for subscribing. We're at 475 subscribers, chat. Almost at 500 silly hot stream.
Can't wait.
Let's buy a new skin for Tiva. Let's see what we got. What skin should we buy? Eitthvað efni. This is my favorite skin. I like the Mac here. This one's also pretty cool. Hey yo. Thank you for feeding my turtle. Thank you. Also just this one's swag also because it's like OG. Wait. Now what skin? Chat, what skin do we buy here? Let's pick one together. Chat, what skin? Let's pick one of these rare skins here and we buy. Chat, this one, this one, this one, this one, this one, this one. What do we buy, chat? Pink one. Cat.
How are we doing, chat?
Pink.
How are we doing?
This one then. Wait. You have to say the name, because I don't... White cat. Buy the cat. White cat, this one.
For a week straight, that's crazy.
Alright, let's buy this one. Alright, we
I'm
buy.
good. Very chill, locked in. College, very entertained.
Let's wear this one.
Let's win.
Alright, let's win, bro. I got new skin. So we should be able to win. Chat is happy with it, so I'm happy.
Can't wait to see it.
Bro, it's a great skin, bro.
Bruh.
Bruh. Thank you for bits. Wait, I'm not in a queue with you.
Wait, what? Oh my god. Cancel.
Ah, okay, accept, sorry. Yeah, we're back.
Right.
Will this stream be on YouTube? I think Danta is uploading it to some other channel. Wait. Stretching time. Wait,
Stretchy
okay.
time.
Að verða fucking klikkaður með þér. Hausnum hvar ég bjó, no, að verða fucking klikkaður með þér.
Push through rain for spinny.
I love your shirt, thank you. Yo, Binny,
Yes.
are you ready to win video game?
Always.
Bang.
Freyja. New character.
Huh?
Yeah, Freyja.
Freyja? Yeah,
Yeah.
Freyja. But like it's pronounced, it's not like Freyja in Icelandic, because then there would be like
Oh yeah.
like
Like
a
a
Y, yeah. Who we banning, chat? I hate this guy, and the new guy. This guy also, yes, I hate that guy as well. Alright. No, wait, actually, this guy is kinda chill. I hate this guy, let's go. Alright, fair. Like Freya or Freya. It's like... I think it's like... it's pronounced Freya with like with Y and then J afterwards. Yo, new skin chat. We're so winning. Let's go.
No, I live with the parents.
Skin picked by chat. W skin chat. Alright, let's go, let's go. Cat Force. Let's win. Benny, check my new skin, bro. Come here.
Oh my god, that's a crazy skin.
Picked by chat, bro.
Wow, you're so cool.
#1 Kawaii Diva player. Let's go, guys. We're so winning. Ba! Brrrra!
Really good skin.
Brrrra! Brrrra!
Crazy skin.
You're welcome, it's my favorite animal actually. What? Cats? Cats are chill, they are pretty chill. Cats are the most chillest animals.
Real.
If I
No
would,
dog. I like dog.
Benny, if you had to be any animal, what animal would you be? Like you had to like
Walrus.
live. Yeah, would you like live as a walrus and just be in the ocean?
They're so chill, man. The only thing they do is just chill by the beach.
Oh, that
like
sounds like
the
a
rocks.
dream, not gonna
And
lie.
eat fish. How chill.
Honestly.
And they have mustache.
Oh, and they have mustache, that's kinda cool, not gonna lie, bro.
Yeah.
Wait. Wait, he's low. Nice. Yeah, okay, wait, we should be able to do this. Wait, Tracer! Keep an eye on Tracer, she's going crazy from behind! She's good also, damn. Oh, she did the thing!
Don't believe you come med.
Ah! Ah! I'm scared. You're Tracer also, bro, nice.
Yeah. I play sometimes. Oh, I'm not good at Tracer though.
Yeah, I'm dead. I'm dead. I'm dead. Yeah, we're dead. Actually, I might be able to kill this guy. Not gonna lie. Never mind, that died. Yeah, we're taking over the point, right?
They're counting on me.
Right? Chat, right?
Of course.
We're winning, right? Oh, it's Vibe Turtle. Vibe Turtle's having a great time. Ah! You kill this Tracer! She's annoying! I'm sorry, Tracer, I hate you. It has to be like this, and you have to die. Wait, where's that? Here you are. I died. Great. Perfect! Perfect! Just like I wanted it to be, bro.
Okay, got her.
Stat med götterna. Stat med götterna. Alright, we got the next point. We have to win this one, honestly.
Oh my
Zero
god, they
deaths,
got
chat.
this one.
Nah,
Zero
yeah.
deaths.
Zero death, chat. Let's go. How did you get Vibe Turtle? Bro, it's a long story. It all happened in Amsterdam. We got a gift, me and Matti. From a very special person. You might know. Ah! 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 I'm sorry, I have to use my ult. Nothing, nobody died. This was tragic ult. Possibly worst ult of all time, question mark, might be... Ah, everybody's on me! No! Okay, I'll do the perk. By soon touch confirmed. Might be chat, might be. Bruh. Bruh. Oh my god, guys. Kinda scary. Have to be honest, kinda scary. I need healing! No, you got locked in.
And I can't
Oldest
use my
trick in the
abilities, oh my
book,
god.
bro. Wait, I need to kill this person. Almost dead. Nice.
Yes, Dragon Boogie.
What's up? Oh
my god, we lose straight away. Oh
Yep.
my god.
I have to remind him that. Wait, what?
No.
Remember, chat, Haldan is just one human being. He's not going to catch every message. He shouldn't be. Wait, what? What is Stream Element saying? I'm just one human being. That's so true.
Oh, no, it's up to 3.
Heroes never die.
Come back.
Yeah, let's go for the comeback. We're going in for the comeback. Ah! Ah! Ah!
No.
Ah!
You die.
No, I survive. I survive every time. Never mind. You sure are a human being, not AI. Chat, LAI, LAI. Imagine being AI, how embarrassing. You had to explain to your friends like, bro, I'm AI. That would be so embarrassing. Hey, we got point! Oh my god, we're so back, man. Let's go. Okay, wait. That's right, die! Never come back! Why am I alone? That's bad idea! Where my friends at?
I'm here.
Ah, I'm dead. Woo. I went into the thing. That was bad idea. Oh, nice. We could
You, Tyler.
take this now. I think. Wait. Go on point,
three
chat.
people, though.
Never mind. Yeah, I died. Yeah. All AI. All my homies hate AI. That's so true, chat. AI, not my goat. Like ChatGPT and stuff, that began like straight after we finished school. Think about it.
Yeah.
Now every kid is using it to beat school. We missed
we
out on
lose.
that. Yeah, we lose them.
Yes, everybody's behaving, Dande.
Let's go 1v1.
1v1.
Yeah.
Okay.
Is Finland in Europe tour K18? What does that mean? Yeah. 18 plus, you mean that? No, I don't think so. No. That should not be it. Alright, guys. What song is this, bro? I've never heard this song. Let's play the new Crowley album. Wait, it's actually kinda good. Damn, wait. Why is this song actually kinda good?
1v1 again.
We do custom game.
Custom game. Yeah, create.
Yeah, you create 1v1, you are so smart. Alright, let's play the new album. Alright, we do 1v1, winner versus Haldan, winner gets $1 billion.
Real.
Charger in bed can start burning Haldan. Yeah, man, I do not sleep with charger in bed, it's just here right now. Kawaii Diva. How late is it there? It's like not late, it's like 3 or something.
W song chat.
Alright. I'm not gonna be cringe and pick the new heroes, bro. I'm not cringe. Let's go for this guy. Like the skin chat, he's pretty swag. It's 10 AM here, damn. Where's Matt in Portugal? He's going with his girlfriend.
Oh, okay, you play. Okay.
Oh,
Wait,
okay.
what?
What map is
What
this,
map
bro?
is this? I don't know. I just put us in only one.
Alright, that's fair. I'm winning, bro. You're not winning me. You're not winning me, bro. I'm sorry. No! Oh, damn.
No.
Okay, fair. Fair.
Mhm.
0 to 1, that's fair, honestly. I hope I get good characters now. I know
Will
it.
there be a live late at night? Or just this one? Just this one, I think. I'm working later, so...
Yeah,
Yeah.
maybe I'll do FNAF later tonight. I'll go back
Ooh, you
live.
should do FNAF. Watch Haldan FNAF.
Yeah, I'll do later tonight, I think. And alright, bro, let's go. Yeah, try me, bro. Try me. That's right. Try me, bro. Oh. That was embarrassing.
Embarrassing.
Alright, we obviously
Wait,
doing this.
let's
guy.
try Freya, both.
Alright, I've never played her. I have no idea.
No, not me either. Wait, she has a crossbow.
Okay, let's try. Please stream after 7 PM. I need to teach your kids how to jump. Ah. Teach the kids how to jump. I'm gonna send you good luck now, you win. Let's go.
Oh my god.
Let's go! I win! Emote! Emote! Let's go!
Right click to charge. Oh.
Alright, we're going in. He's obviously gonna pick this. I'll do it again. I'll do it too. Alright, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's
Blow
go.
up. Oh, okay.
Alright, 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 alright. Hold on, aimbot. I know, I'm too good. I'm using aimbot chat, obviously. That's why I'm so good at video game. Everybody knows this. Ah! Let's go! Oh. Ah!
Oh my
Let's
god.
go! I've been pinning! Wait, I need to emote on this one. Let's
No.
go! Oh. I have wall hacks, bro. I'm sorry. I need Hold on, hacking confirmed? Might be, chat. I will not confirm nor deny I'm hacking. Might be hacking. Hold on, you make me happy. Oh, that's so sweet. Yeah, that's right. Try me. Might need some heals now. Bro!
Go.
Okay. Still kinda even though.
Never back down, never what?
Never give up! Wait, who are these? I hate. Oh, bro, they only got like new characters. I don't know how to play them. I'll go this girl again. Echo is so good. I've never played Echo.
Yeah, Echo is good. Chat or chat?
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah.
no.
Let's go. Should be good. Let's go!
What? I was doing
Aimbot!
chat.
Aimbot! Emote,
Aimbot
emote,
confirmed.
emote. Let's go, my aimbot's working, chat. We're so back. New main confirmed? Might be, not gonna lie. I'll go this. Aim mid for the win. Let's go.
Yes,
Yo,
it's
Peak.
birthday.
Would you like to play Minecraft with Jetwords? Oh, actually, we should ask them if they want to join. Jetwords are Peak. Alright, 1v1, bro. Let's
Fara
go.
vi fara.
Bro. Yeah, fair enough. I think I did not hit you once. He does write the vibe songs. That's true. My songs are very deep also. But there are some vibe songs that actually have kind of deep meaning. But I will not tell you. You have to figure out. Bra, 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 bra. Alright, guys, we're so winning this
It's
one.
such a good profile picture.
Let's go! I win you in handsome 1v1. Emote! I got thing inside my head, bro. What do you think of heavy metal or metal overall? I like it. I think it's pretty cool. Pretty chill.
Haldan, who are you picking?
Junkrat.
Junkrat, okay.
We go Junkrat chat. Yeah, Toiletries is the deepest vibe song.
Binny Clown Boy confirmed. No.
That's right. Die, bro. Oh my god, yeah, GG's.
GG's.
Are you still playing guitar? Yeah, sometimes I do it like every other day, maybe, just for fun. Binny hacking confirmed, chat. I do not like this. I got Pog, chat. Look at it.
Haldan Pog.
Haldan Pog.
See this.
Can I see those Pogs in chat? Yo, that was actually pretty good aim, right?
Wait, hold on. You give me $1 billion now, right?
Yes.
That was the deal.
Yeah, I give you $1 billion.
Oh, let's go chat.
I'll transfer it to you right away. Wait, I need to go to toilet real quick. You talk to chat
Yeah,
real quick, wait.
How are we doing, chat? How are we doing? I don't see Haldan chat, so I'm only reading my chat. Getting chicken curry again. Let's go. W chicken curry. Doing so good, my god. We chillin'. Cooking stream when that would actually be really funny. How was my birthday so far? It's so good. I woke up, started streaming, and then I go work later. Did Haldan get you a birthday present? No, we had a birthday together, and that was basically we agreed to not give birthday presents. It's good to hear. Welcome to 22 gang. Thank you so much. The lawyer game yesterday was so funny. I'm a bartender. Haldan chat is saying W Binny. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you, Haldan chat. What's something on your bucket list? Maybe
I'm
pet
back,
rollers.
bro. I'm back.
Let's go. We try. Wait.
Can we do Widowmaker only?
Oh, yes, let's do that. Heroes.
How many tattoo you have? Let's count them down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, 8. When the song is about the happy life of the ballerina cappuccino and tung 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 sour. Coming soon, chat, coming soon.
Haldan, do you know how to make it with only?
I'll try. Wait, how can
Okay,
I
wait,
do?
I make a liter.
Mm-mm-mm.
But it didn't work. I think. Are you leader now?
No.
What? I made you leader though. Wait,
Oh,
what
what?
if I exit this?
Now I can do settings.
Okay.
We'll do presets. We'll do 1v1.
Oh, you have to invite me.
Okay, wait, I'll invite you. Okay, wait.
Let's go.
We go for presets and we go for Widow 2. I think that's. Watch out, click heads. Yeah, I think this
Be
is.
beautiful. I intelligent. And never mean. And never losing to hold down. I intelligent again.
What?
Binny. Damn, that's crazy. That's what Binny stands for.
Where you at, bro? Where you
I
at,
don't
bro?
Is this headshots only?
I don't know. No, I don't think so. If not, I will fix that.
Like headshots only.
You want headshots only, bro?
No, that's okay. I see you. Oh no, it's not headshots only.
Damn.
I aim to devastate.
You're on a kill streak. I get it. You must feel very important now. Bro, what?
I aim to devastate.
Oh, good night. Have a great night.
Oh, let's go.
Oh my god.
I cannot do the spray. That's my favorite part.
No spraying.
Ah! Ah! Ah!
I aim to
Space.
devastate.
If I get one kill, I feel like I win. Honestly.
No way,
aim
Jose.
to devastate.
Wait. I'm so gonna kill you, bro. Ah! I can
Ooh.
kill! I can kill! I can kill! Emote! Ah, wait, I can't do emote. Ah! Ah! Okay, 6-1.
Aim to devastate.
First 2
So
billion
precious,
points win
precious,
video game.
precious, clean, clean.
It's still any man's game now. Damn.
I
Anybody's
aim
game.
to devastate.
I know Binny would be so angry if I would actually beat him at this.
Yes, this is like for you chess.
Ah! That's why I'm gonna beat him. Ah! I'm scared.
Hmm.
Ah! Ah! No! Don't kill me, bro. I'm a good guy. I swear. Oh my god.
I
Great
aim
guy.
to devastate.
Maybe I just hide.
Oh my god. Just so fresh, so clean, so precious, so clean, clean.
Ah! 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 No!
I
Come on,
aim
you.
to devastate.
Chat,
Give
don't
him a
make fun
chance,
of
Billy.
me.
He's just a kid.
I'm just a kid, bro. I'm just a boy from Iceland. I'm just a poor boy. I'm just a poor boy, nobody loves me. He's just a poor boy from a poor family, sparing his life for his monstrosity. Bro, could you please stop moving?
I aim to
You have to move.
devastate.
Kill that ratio.
I've done only 12 real chat.
Oh! Just one more hit, that should be good. What?
I aim to devastate.
Sorry, hold on. So precious, so clean, clean.
Ah!
No!
Ah! We should be good. Ah! Ah! Damn.
I aim to devastate.
Ah!
Oh my god, 1 HP. Are you kidding me?
No, actually 3. Shut up.
I aim to devastate.
No, wait. Ah! Let's go! One shot, 1 kill. We're so back, chat. Don't call it a comeback!
Oh, almost hit 360.
Where are you, bro? Where are you, bro? I'm scared. I'm scared. Oh, there you are. Wait, how do you have... Bro, let me hit you 1 time. Let's go! I win! I win, chat. Okay, we're
I was
so
checking
coming...
how long it take.
We're so coming for that kills, bro. Ah, I need 2 heals. Ah, no, don't kill. Bro, I said not kill!
Sorry.
Ah, wait. Ah!
Oh my
Sniped.
god.
Bro got sniped by
sleeping.
both guy. Let's go. Ah!
No, what?
2 in a row, chat. Is it a comeback? Comeback of the century confirmed, right? Okay, bet.
I aim to devastate.
Ah!
No! 1 HP, I hit 360, man.
Ah! No, don't kill me. Don't kill me, bro. I said not. Ah, let's go!
Oh my
Oh! Bro, you're so bad, bro. You can't even hit me. Oh my god, you're so bad at this game, bro. This is so embarrassing. Oh my god, I'm winning you, bro. I'm winning. I'm so winning, bro. Ah, I need to get the heals up. The heals need to be healed, bro. Up, nope. Thank you. Full health. Let's go. We're back. Ah. Oh my god, bro.
I
Okay.
aim to devastate.
Ah. Ah, where are you, bro? I'm scared. I'm scared. 1v1ing. I'm 1v1ing, bro. You're so gonna lose. You're gonna lose, and it's gonna be tragic, and I'm gonna win, and I'm gonna get all the glory. And then, bro, oh
Yes.
my god.
I aim to devastate.
Can you chill for 1 sec, bro? Please.
I aim to devastate.
Where are you?
Stop hacking. Bro, if you weren't jumping, it would be so much simpler. Oh my god, bro! I felt like I had that one in the bag, not gonna lie. I feel like I deserved that kill. Ah!
Oh!
Ah!
I was trying to do this.
Let's go!
God.
Okay, we should be good. Nah! Don't kill me, bro. I'm good guy from good family, bro. No!
I aim to
Wait.
devastate.
Wave lag is so hard. Yes, it's such a good song.
Ah,
I gave Halfdan no mercy.
no mercy, bro. I give you no Moira.
No Moira.
I aim
You give
to
me no mercy. I give you
devastate.
no Moira, bro.
No, I never hit 360.
So that means you're bad at video game. Bro, literally. Oh my god.
I aim to devastate.
Let me hit you. Oh yeah, I hit you. Maybe I just need to ask again. Let me hit you. Let me hit you now. Oh no.
Oh,
I
sorry.
aim to devastate.
Okay, stay still, Pinny. Stay still. I need to show you.
Okay.
I need to show you my favorite emote.
Oh, show me your favorite emote.
Yo, check this emote out. It's like, wait, wait. Ah, my favorite emote. Let's go. And now I do the emote. Wait, is this? La 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 la, la 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 la, la 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 la. La 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 la, la 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 la. Bro, you can't even hit me while I'm doing ballet, imagine. Ah. Oh my god, bro.
I aim to devastate.
Okay, first to 30 points.
30 points.
What?
Where is he? Oh.
Oh my god.
I aim
Okay, I'll
to
just stay here.
devastate.
Shh.
hiding?
No! What?!
I aim to devastate.
What?! Let me hit you, bro. Ah! 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 I get killed! Ah! Ah! No, you need one more point.
Devastate.
I cannot fumble this, chat.
Need to do trick shots.
Yeah, you have to do trick shot for final kill. Otherwise it doesn't count. Ah,
Okay, 360.
I aim.
that was not 360, bro.
Yes, I did.
Oh, I did kill! Okay, but you win. I get it.
Oh, I was ending match.
Ah!
Was it first to 30?
Yeah, 1 versus 30. You can win.
What do you want to do, Aldo? We have 50 minutes.
15.
50.
50. Alright, wait.
Want to
I'll-
try to get Fortnite W?
Yeah, let's get 1 W in the game of Fortnite. I like that. Wait, I accidentally moved chat. Wait, I'm gonna fix that real quick. Let's put you guys here. Here. Like this. Okay,
Binny
let's...
crushes innocent Icelandic boy to celebrate his birthday. Real.
Oh my god. That's wild, bro. Alright, wait. Let's do Fortnite, yeah. Babadabadabadabadab. Let's get the 1 W before you have to leave.
Yes.
I think that's fair.
I would say so.
Salome! Wait, let me see. I'm gonna check out some things real quick.
Do it.
Mm-hmm. Seeing... Síðan ég var- yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah.
he became famous, so I can start streaming career. Sorry.
Yeah, that's the only reason. It was all part of the big plan, you know. Wait.
Binny's voice chat after stream yesterday was so good. Oh, you were in the Discord. W's.
Let's get
No, it's not
W's.
ending. It ends in 50 minutes.
Yeah.
I put your birthday present in art channel. Wait, I'll check it out.
Alright. Trat, we're sorry. Failed to cure. Alright, open. We got gift chat.
Wait, I'll go through this. Wait.
Somebody sent me Cleveland Brown! Thank you!
No way!
W Sharkman 2232.
Cool, guys. Thank you so much for drawing this. And this is so
Yo!
cool. Hold on.
I got
You got Cleveland Brown.
I got Cleveland Brown. Yeah, what? Wait, I got more gifts.
somebody- Waffles painted.
I got
my
Cleveland Brown
robot.
again. I got
You
two.
got him 2 times.
I got the emote. Claim
Oh my God,
firework
so cool.
emote. Let's go. Wait, what's this? Music pass reward. Claim all.
Hold on.
Yeah.
Do you remember the robot I built?
Thank you for giving me. Yeah, the robot. Yeah.
Yes. Waffles painted a photo of it.
Actually.
It's so cool. Yes.
Wait, where can I see it?
On my stream at least, and the Discord. It's
Okay.
so cool. Thank you so much.
Let me pull that up real quick.
And the walrus is so cool also. So cool. Binny walrus. W walrus.
Yo, that's so sweet. That's so cool.
It's so cool.
Wait, is Sharkman in chat? Who gifted me? Cleveland Brown.
So talented, guys. You're all so talented.
Damn. Thank you so much for gifting
Oh,
me.
it is so cute. I had to paint it. Thank you so much. It's so cool.
Bro. We need to make Cleveland Brown look cool. Wait, I need to also equip the emote. Should I put it here? Firework! Okay.
Did you get that emote?
Yes!
Cause baby, you're a fine.
Scroll down. Alright, got it. Bruno Mars! Okay, that's wild. Okay, we play video game? You ready?
Yeah, it's loading.
Warrior Monkey 448 gifted. Thank you so much for gifting me Cleveland Brown in Fortnite. I love you. I waited 2 whole days.
Digital,
Thank you.
digital art, so as one of my jobs, so I don't get enough time doing actual paintings. So it was really fun. Yeah, it's such a cool painting. Wow.
Yeah, bro,
So
whoever
cool.
painted, it's
Thank
very
you so much,
talented.
Owls. It's so cool.
There are so many talented people here.
Actually.
Binny, are you in?
It's
Oh, loading. Yeah,
Oh my
loading.
God.
Alright. I will pick something kawaii. Oh, this makes sense. This is also from...
Wait, hold on. When are you going to play Five Nights at Freddy's?
Maybe later tonight.
Damn,
Or
that's
like
crazy.
in a couple of hours.
Let's
I
go.
think so. I don't think I have any
Are
more
you going
other
to try to
plans.
finish it?
I might try, yeah. We'll do FNAF scary stream.
Nice,
Austin
stream.
mín. Yeah. Burt hárin þín. I don't have any sneakers. Need to fix that.
You have to mute me in game.
Oh wait, I'll mute you. Wait. Mute voice. You have been muted. Bro, look at us!
We're so cool.
I know.
Wait, I can be... We're
Yeah,
bigger
yeah.
than Cleveland.
Hey, let's go. Let's go do it, bro. Yeah. No, but do boo.
No, inte enkel.
Yeah, let's go. I have to show you my new emote. Da-da-ba-ba-da-ba-ba. Yo, Bennett, check it out.
What? Are you in game now?
Of course. Where are you?
Oh my god, you have no wait time.
Yeah.
I will spawn when like the bus is going.
Ah. That's all good. When is Matti home again? I don't know. I think he will be away for a week.
If I'm ever in Iceland, I'll have to find a way to give it to Binne. Yeah, that would be crazy. I would love that painting. It's so cool.
That would be crazy, not gonna lie. Hey yo, what's up? Darth Vader versus Cleveland Brown. Let's go, fight me.
Where are you?
I'm fighting Darth Vader. I got so many headshots, bro. You will not believe how many headshots we got. What's your favorite
Wait,
monster
hold on.
flavor?
What
The
is
white
your
one.
secret? What is your like secret talent?
Secret talent, I don't know, I can solve Rubik's Cube. That's pretty cool.
Oh, actually, he's really good at Rubik's Cube.
I'm a nerd, chat. Everybody knows this. I retail, let's go for it. I'm down. Yeah.
Let's win this.
Thank you, chat. We're so winning. My favorite song is on.
Yeah, bend the ankles.
Alright. Yeah. Alright, we drop in here, chat. Cleveland Brown. W Sharkman for gifting Cleveland Brown. He's the GOAT. That means so much to me. Means everything to me. Means the world to me. Oh, I got guns. Now we're so back. Now I just need to kill. Alright, let's go for this. Við erum uppi. Hvað meira get ég sagt? Við erum uppi. Allt og vísi, erum uppi. Komið 10 ár, erum uppi. Hvað meira get ég sagt? Erum uppi. Skull Trooper dead. I got him.
Good job.
Nice.
Let's go.
Wait, I accidentally put my... Wait, I need to hide here for a second. Because I need to fix... Wait. 10 ár erum uppi. Hvað meira get ég sagt? Við erum uppi. Wait, we're back. Let's go. Allt og vísi erum uppi. Komið 10 ár erum uppi. Hvað meira get ég sagt? Erum uppi. Let me get those kills. Hey, Binnick, there are people here. We can kill them.
Let's go. Wait, I'm using Chuck Chuck. Come in 50 seconds.
Ah, no, actually, I might die here. Wait.
Oh my god. Don't die, hold on.
I'll try, bro. I'll try, bro. Allt og vísi erum uppi.
Wait, there's a guy on me.
Yeah, I'm coming up back. Because these guys over there seemed very not nice people. I don't want to be friends with them, not gonna lie. Komið 10 ár erum uppi. Hvað meira get ég sagt? Við erum uppi.
Oh my god.
No, I'm dead. I'm not dead. Actually, I'm alive for some reason. No, okay, they got me. They got me. Can you kill this guy here?
I'm trying.
There's also a guy here.
Yeah, he's coming on me.
Kill here. Oh, never mind. I died.
Good. Oh my
Binny
god.
can save me though. He's good at the video game. No worries. Tók að hætti sem ég þor ekki. Þessi sorglega rauða kostar svo mikið. Alright, alright, alright. Yeah, go Binny, go Binny, go Binny, go! 100 innan með mig og sá nefnið það. Let's go! Bang, bang, bang. You can grab my card, right?
Wait, I'm fighting.
Yeah, yeah. Bara í kvöld durka tvöfalt.
Bruh.
Haldi bara fram að gengur föka. Thank you for 1000 bits, Witcher Stucky! Witcher Stucky is the goat, yeah. She really, really goat, yeah. Witcher Stucky is the goat, yeah. And everybody knows that, yeah. Ættir að vita nú þegar að ég ekki í þessu. Ekki lók. Ekki illa síðan. Aftur. Aftur. Fann þegar ég byrjaði. W Music streamed, guys. Yeah. Check bits. Witcher Stucky donated 1000 bits. Let's go. I thought again! Witcher Stucky again 1000 bits. W bits. W Witcher Stucky, you're crazy. Vilja vera með... Oh my god, that's wild. Check bits, clown boy. Do you like reading? Sometimes. Witcher Stucky is the goat, yeah. Thank you, Witcher Stucky, for 100,000 bits, yeah. I sent 2 more emotes, hold on. What? You sent me more? That's wild. That's wild, not gonna lie. Yeah, let's see what... I can't wait to see, thank you so much. I'm back from school, let's go. We're so back, guys. Haldan's the best streamer, right? Right? Wait, you got my card, right?
Yep.
Nice.
Bruh.
Bruh, thank you for the
Where is it
bits! Hype train! Thank you for 100 bits! That's so sweet. Double bitch! Did Haldan try Mango Monster? Of course! It's the
Yes,
greatest.
see you later.
Thank you for feeding my turtle! Ég að hugsa hluti á þig. Oh my god, we're so back, let's go. Thank you, Benny. Save the day.
No problem. Oh, there are guys coming. I'm so low.
Bruh.
Bruh. I'll just grab some guns here real quick. Okay, I got one. Okay, I got the minis. Wait. Ah, sorry. Opposites.
Give me a heart attack.
Sorry, that was my fault. Definitely my fault, bro.
Let's go chat.
Bruh.
Sorry, I just locked in to get
Check.
that done.
I got so many guns, bro. We should be able to win, I think. Machine
I
gun.
think so.
Yeah. Let's go for it. Yo, sniper. Yo, heavy shotgun. Let's go. Purple rocket launcher. Wait. I'm thinking, if rocket launcher is purple, how is it better than if the rocket launcher is blue?
No, purple is better.
Yeah, I know it's better, but why? Like, it's just the same gun.
Does more damage.
Ah. Makes sense. Thank you for all the bits, guys. You're going crazy.
Business backwards, no.
Í strópljósi litana, líf og dauða, kuld og yta. Oh wait, I'm going into the storm. I don't want that. Líf og dauða, kuld og yta. Yeah. That was a day of the first secret stream. What day? Yeah. Oh yeah, you are right, my bad. What? Ber sig í strópljósi litana. Scoped assault rifle. That's better than...
Actually, really, it's good.
It's better than light machine gun, right?
Yes, I would say so.
Yeah, I'll just take it. Yeah, yeah. Alright, we're gonna win. Alright, guys. I got 5 different guns. We should be able to win this.
Let's go.
1 gun for each kill. Alright. Wait a minute. Wait for me. Brynjar.
Yes. Let's go here.
Wait for me. Wait. Yeah, I'm coming. Yo, I can eat this,
Somebody
right?
fighting. Pretty close. Do you want to go to the fight?
Sure. If we win.
We always win. Okay,
Let's...
just take the stones. Oh, they just died. The guys they were fighting.
Okay. How many stones do I need to eat?
Wait, somebody's flying in.
Okay, I'm back.
Oh,
Wait.
they're going on mountain.
Bro, what happened? Oh my god. I accidentally took a screenshot.
Okay, watch out. Okay, they went on mountain. Let's just go down. Don't
wait, I need to go. I'm cooking everything because I always have to go to this direction because if I go the other direction my mouse goes on the other side
what?
of the monitor.
Okay, we need to fix that next time I come to you.
Yeah.
That should not be going on in the game.
Yeah, it's always happening. It's so annoying. So I always have to do this
Okay, they're
instead
fighting
of
here.
this.
We're really close.
Alright. Wait. Is something good here? I don't know. Oh yeah. Oh, someone's shooting me. Yo, there I got some golden guns, I think. Yo, this is good gun. Okay.
What?
I don't think I need the sniper now anymore, so I'll just take this. Wait, it's the same gun. What's this? Scoped assault rifle. Okay, I'll take this for this. Yeah, I forgot to it.
Oh, okay, I got one, but I got sniped.
Wait, are you dead?
Bastards. No. I think they're pushing me though. No, they're just waiting on mountain.
Wait, where
Watch
are they?
out.
I got...
They're on other mountain. Watch out. They can shoot you there.
Ah!
Oh, he had minis, come on.
I'm hitting them for so much damage, bro. But now I'm dead.
Great.
You got anything to heal?
Nope.
Alright.
There are minis like not far from us.
Ah, I see it. Wait. Ah! Oh my god.
I think let's go this direction.
Yeah.
There is a portal. Or
Bruh.
left, I mean.
Bro, thank you for the bits! Oh,
What?
man. Yeah, I
That
saw
did
it.
not hit me.
I saw it
Wait.
hit you.
Okay, yeah. There's cover here. You can come here.
Okay.
Yeah, we're good. Thank you, Haldan.
I got you,
Binni
Binni.
carrying Haldan. No, Haldan carrying Binni, I mean.
First time. First time for everything, chat.
Wait,
Might
okay,
need some heals here.
hopefully we can buy something good in vending machine.
Yeah.
Watch out, he can still snipe you, I think. Can see. Oh my god, no heals. Okay, let's take the rift.
I got minis, bro. Take this.
You got minis?
Yeah.
Okay.
I forgot to give you.
Thank you. My god. Can take.
Wait.
Maybe go shifty shafts.
Where's that? I just follow you. Oh, I see it, yeah. Wait, I think there is loot here.
Or maybe let's go here maybe.
Yo, bro, I see loot.
Is it
Maybe-
loot?
Yeah. I need. I'm just checking if they got some heals. Yeah, big pot, nice.
Let's go.
That's very important. We need to stay healed. Stay hydrated, chat.
Please, medkit, please. Okay, pick pot.
There's another big pot here. Just take it. Wait.
Yeah, take it.
Also, legendary assault rifle if you want.
What type? Scar?
I don't know.
No, I'm good.
Yes, it's Scar.
Oh my god. You
You
should
want
take Scar, it's really good.
I got something with the terminal. Should I switch that off? I kind of like that.
Yeah, just, yeah, don't switch, just use what you want.
Okay, I'll just switch it for this. If it's legendary, I'll have to take it. That's the rule.
Yeah, Scar is basically the best gun in the game.
Yeah, then I'll obviously take.
Please,
Damn.
medkit here. The vending machine, please.
Chat, am I
vending
cooked?
machine.
I think I'm cooked. Yep, that's
You're
true.
cooked?
No, wait, I fell down mountain. I almost go into death place.
That place.
You understand, right?
No.
Strange. Alright. Wait, we go to... wait, I'm gonna find you. How many people are left in the game? 10
10
people.
people.
Okay.
8 against us.
Okay. He's cooking. I'm cooking. Bara einn í einu.
God, there's no medkits.
Baby girl, verður hreinskilin við mig. Hættu að stoppa að vera feikinu sinni. Til að tala við, tala um okkur, þú vilt tala um sjálfa þig. Yeah, let's go. Bro, the circle is moving.
Oh my god.
I'm flying.
I'm so cooked.
I made it,
It's
bro.
faster than me.
You can make it, bro. I got big pot for you.
Okay, I see bandages at least.
Okay, take them. We have to find some loot here. We need to go to... Okay, there's chest here. Chest there. I see guy in water. Should I kill? I'll kill.
You can try.
I killed him.
Good job.
Did I? Yeah, I killed him.
Good job.
Hey, thank you.
Do you see medkit?
Maybe, yeah, he had medkit on him, I think. Wait.
Oh my god, let's go.
Yeah, he got some.
Use the medkit.
Yeah.
Hopefully he has 2.
Let's see. He only had 1.
Okay, use it.
Yeah.
I'll find another one.
Okay.
Okay, I got bandages. Are you shooting? Oh.
Yeah, that was me.
Oh.
This terminal thing is so good. I would never have spotted him if I hadn't a terminal gun.
Yeah, thermal is good. Or thermal, yeah.
Probably even like yeah, or whatever it's called. Yeah.
We should try to get to there.
All right. All right. Woo-wee! Loot leg, that means loot. Bara við, ég týndi sjálfum mér. Okay, wait.
8 apples.
Oh, I see guy.
Where? Is he close?
There are 2 guys.
Oh my god. Knocked on. Did you see that shot, guys?
Ah. Hard to hit.
He's low. Okay, that's
Nice.
somebody else shooting at us.
They got crowns,
No.
bro. They got crowns. We need those crowns, right?
It doesn't do that much. So let's just...
They got some loot. I think we might need. The bandits might be important.
I got a big pot.
Okay, I'll go in for a 2 secs to get the crown. Bye bye, I'm back. Ooh.
Okay, now it's us against one team.
Okay. Wait, what gun did I swap out
Oh, they're
for?
shooting at us. They have a base here. Watch out. Hold on, you have to...
Yeah.
Let's go. They have the high ground.
It's 2v2.
Yeah.
Let's go.
Or most likely maybe 2v1v1.
2v1v1.
No, big pot. Okay, big pot, let's go. Hold on, you can eat apple to get HP.
Where is Apple?
It's on the ground here.
Alright. I'm using. I see them
Okay,
here!
I think. Oh, they move. Watch out!
Yeah.
Hold on, that's not a good spot. Wait.
Ah.
Oh my god. Heal up.
Yeah.
They're probably going to push us.
But I got them for big hits, bro.
Okay, good shit. Oh my god.
Okay, we should be good. Where are they? I got him for hits. I got a couple of good hits.
Nice. Yeah.
Okay. Should I rush them with my minigun?
Okay, wait. No. Wait, are they in? No, they're not inside, I think.
Yeah, they're here.
Oh, hold on!
Oh,
my
sorry.
god! That was a really dumb peek.
He's
Sorry.
coming.
He's coming.
Yeah,
How
they're
close?
both rushing.
Okay.
Oh, he's here. I died again. Come on, kill him.
Right.
Damn. Alright, let's see Binny win video game. Chat. Yeah. You see him? Yeah, he's... Yeah, you can do this, bro. You got this, bro. Easy. Here.
Oh my god.
Yeah, come on. Yeah, you locked him down, right? No! That was a close call, not gonna lie.
I ran out of shotgun bullets.
All good, bro. So close.
Almost.
Do we have time for one more?
One more.
Okay. So we'll have to win that.
Yes.
Final game of day, chat. Wait. Vélmenni eins og ég. Vélmenni eins og ég.
Now we get first place, guys. Easy.
Never gonna say goodbye. Is there McDonald's in Iceland? No! They don't have McDonald's.
When should I get Discord even though it's not allowed? I don't get it. What do you mean?
Yeah. Nom. Let me do my favorite emote.
Peanut, do you like peanut butter? Yes, I like peanut butter.
Double peanut butter.
Här har han smör.
What's this?
When do we get Doggerville? I'll do it next stream.
Let's do salty.
Salty.
Final game, guys. We better win.
Better win this, guys.
Fortnite is a strange game because you can have like Cleveland Brown fighting Darth Vader or fighting that.
Yes.
It makes no sense fighting Eminem. It's just like it's so random. It would be so cool if Eurovision did a collab with Fortnite, bro.
Real. Oh, it's you! Oh my god!
Yeah, it's me, bro. Got minis. Wait. I see guy. Two guys actually. But I have no gun.
Where?
Here, there, on the gas station. There are two guys.
One landing on us.
Okay, I only got this gun. This will have to do. Hey,
Okay, good job.
free kill. Djúpt
Yeah, coming
og
to us.
það steam.
Good
Another
job.
kill. Two kills,
Traffic.
bro. Viping item shop, that would be a dream.
Traffic. Wait, hold on, I have minis.
Yeah, me too.
Okay, use it. Okay, here.
Where?
Hit him. He's really low.
Yeah.
Okay.
Nice job, bro. Nice job, we're so winning. Grasið var
Easy chat.
grænna.
Oh, guy here.
Where?
He's low. Nice. His friend's probably coming.
Friend
Yeah, he's
is on
really
his way.
close.
Nice, bro. Hard carry and not gonna lie.
Let's go,
but we
chat.
move. Gun þín
Ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba.
Yo, they got legendary. I'll take it. Wait, where is here? I need guns. Gimme. Okay, what do we got? Assault rifle, I'll take it, honestly. Honestly, why not? And I don't need this gun. Wait, where you at, bro?
I'm just checking this out.
Alright, I'm coming. Yo, what happened?
Oh, okay.
Thank you for meeting my turtle, warrior monkey, my favorite.
I'm fighting. I don't know what he's doing.
Come alive after time. Come alive after time. Hey yo, I hit him.
Nice.
Let's go.
Where did he go?
He's
Did he
hiding.
go down?
Yeah. Boom. Audi. Pull up a motherfucking Audi. Bad bitch, somebody kallar hana Sáti. Nánir. Motherfucking Audi. Sjá þessar 5% rúður. Nei, bitch, pull up a thick. I'll take this, and this, and this, and then this, and this, and this, and then finally I'll take this. Bra. Ég á alltaf margar. Það er stór bíl upp í Árbæ. Stór bíl. Wait guys, is he actually ignoring us or is he ignoring everyone equally? Me? Oh, I'm sorry guys, I was logging into Fortnite. I promise I'm not ignoring. I'm trying to reach out.
Retail.
Wait, retail, where is that? Yeah, it's there, okay. New streamer.
Yeah, right here.
Yeah, let's go.
No, he's here.
Okay, we're back. New streamer. Yes, that's me. I'm new streamer, chat. It's finally someone in chat who's not from Eurovision. Chat, we should tell him about Eurovision. Tell the new chatter about Eurovision. He will lose his mind. Wait, So bro, you're dying. I'm sorry. Yep, you're dead. That's right.
Nice.
That's right.
His friend's probably coming.
Yeah, I'll kill this guy.
Does he have any bullets?
I needed this big pot, not gonna lie.
You need bullets?
I don't think so.
Oh.
Or maybe, I don't know. Where are bullets?
I could drop you if you need.
Yeah, sure. Give me.
That's alright.
Wait. No, wait. I want to take. What did I swap out? I might need shotgun. Chat, I need shotgun. Wait.
Wait, there's a guy here.
Where? The streamer was one
I just
half
hear footsteps.
of the band from Iceland.
He's on me.
Yeah, that's
I think
correct.
he's in house.
Yeah. Let's kill
yeah.
him.
Is that?
Oh. I was gonna go crazy with my minigun, but all good. I get it. I'm not mad. We move, chat. We move.
We move.
Alright. Hey yo, double tractor, chat. You got tractor in video game.
Lawnmower.
I meant that. Alright. Bro, I'm so killing you. Yo, bro. Papo. Papo. Peak, chat. This peak. We're teaching people about Eurovision while doing gaming. Now we shall the hoppa as we should, chat. Peak, chat. Hey, yo, big pot.
Big pot.
You need it, right?
I need big pot.
Okkar Ja, hún wait. Thought I saw someone. I'm tripping. It's a favorite Eurovision song. I don't know, it's hard. Popular Erik Satie. I think so. Don't say it impossible, cause it's possible. It's not impossible if you know it's possible, chat. I'll take it. So ég ætla ekki að sofna.
Then you can name a teddy bear.
W take.
Teddy bear. What do you call teddy bear? Oh, I see a guy.
Where? Knocked him down.
Nice. One more.
Where is he? Nice.
That.
Nice, bro, nice.
That's not me.
Má ég sjá það hoppa?
His
Yo,
name
you only
should
found out
be-
Eurovision 1 year ago, that's wild. You got so much catching up to do. Scope the assault rifle, let's go.
Pancake. His name will be Pancake.
Pancakes!
Pancakes.
Reykjavík.
Those are
Oh,
not
there's
pancakes.
guy here, there's guy here. Binni.
Oh. You got him.
I got him actually, nice. I did not believe myself. Ja, hún okkar. Yeah.
Pancake.
Ja, hún ja. Så ég ætla ekki að, ég ætla ekki sofna, bra, ja. Alright. Where are we going next? Might be able to win this one, not gonna lie. Oh, should I jump over?
Yeah.
Wait.
Of course. Did you make it?
Woo, yes sir. Wait, we were here last round, right? Or am I?
Yes. Salty.
I was getting deja vu. Wow. Imagine getting deja vu in Fortnite, that's wild.
That's so wild.
Wait, there's someone.
Oh, golden scar. Oh.
Yo, there's someone in the air here.
Where?
Here.
Oh yeah.
Can't hit him. Má ég sjá þá? Bassinn er svo. First Eurovision 1994, that's wild, that's a long time ago. Reykjavík.
Yes, I have Discord server now.
Yes sir, pin is on top, chat, everybody knows this.
We take Rift.
Yeah, let's go. Oh god. Oh god. 3 hours have passed, aren't you tired, bro? Never tired, bro.
Never tired.
Never back down, bro. Never give up.
Where are they fighting? Oh, guy here.
Alright, let's just drop on him and win. I got my minigun. I think I'm going in on him. Oh, there are 2 of them. Wait.
How did I not hit?
Where are they?
Behind this.
Alright, I'm going in. Ah, he knocked me down. He knocked me down. But I knocked the other guy, so you can win. Nice,
God.
bro. Save my ass, brother. Save my ass.
Of course.
Thank you for saving my ass.
I would say syrup.
If Iceland won Eurovision, would it be held back garden, chat? In my back garden, we got so much space. Yeah, and then we can heal with a cozy campfire.
Yes.
Nice. Wait,
Here you go. I put
thank
down.
you. Does it give you shield also? Or only health?
Only
Yeah,
half.
only health, yeah.
Oh, they're dropping on us.
Oh, nice. I'm prepared. Kinda wasted all my ammo there. Golden Scar might help me here.
Oh my god!
I'm coming,
Leave
no
us
worries.
alone. I killed him.
Both? Bro, that's wild, not gonna lie. I'll take this. No, you actually need more.
No, take it. No, I'm using Chuck.
Oh, okay, nice.
I will take slurp juice. I like slurp juice.
Terminal! This is my favorite gun in Fortnite. Wait.
Let's go.
Then I don't need this, I think. And maybe I keep... I'll just keep the big pot. Which is better, to keep small or big pots?
What?
Should I keep the big pots or small pots? Big pots.
I usually keep small,
Small.
but big pot is... Oh my god, guys.
Ah! He hit me!
One rushing me.
I'm coming, bro. Don't worry.
Someone here. Oh god. Knocked one.
Okay, I'm doing big pot. Wait. Thank God I saved it. Alright, alright, alright. Let's go kill him. Oh,
Thanks
nice.
for the follow, Ran
We're so back.
Poes. Thank you so much.
W follow. Okay, I can keep this now. Okay. He's cooking. We're so back. Yes, sir.
So back. Easy win, guys. Maybe take Rift on the right.
Alright. I'm down for whatever, as long as we win.
Thank you for the
Just
follow.
As
B
long
subs.
as we win it, I'm happy. You know.
Go eat.
Cooking. What? What wins if Australia happens with? I don't know.
But
Okay, wait.
guys here.
Let me see if I can see some people. Oh, they're fighting me. They're trying to shoot me. Oh, he's here.
What? I didn't shoot.
No.
Wait, you're fighting someone else?
And he killed me and took all my loot.
Oh my god, no.
Next time, stick to Binny. That's what I learned. Alright, I'll be your friend. Wait. How do I hold? Alright. Allt mun veri góðu lagi. Dengtum drauma landið. Ok, gleymi sjálfum mér. Allt mun veri góðu lagi. Alright, Binny.
Right? Oh, you only have one. Okay.
Go win it, bro. Go win it. You're our only
I'll try
hope
to
here.
get you.
Yeah, it's okay, it's okay, it's okay. It's all good if I'm not there. I know you can win it solo. You're the best guy I know.
No, I have to get you, bro. I'll take chance.
Krota á vegginn. Alright, let's go. We're gonna be back. We're gonna spawn in again. Vimja. Is someone coming? Who knows?
Let's go.
Alright. I'm spawning in, boy. I'm spawning in. I just need some loot then. Oh, there's a guy here! On an umbrella! And I got nothing.
Someone else shooting me.
Shopping cart?
Two guys on us. Oh my god!
Okay, I got you, bro. Come here.
There's a guy behind you also.
Oh, what?
Yeah.
I got you. Okay, fair. Honestly, that's fair. Hey, yo, GG's.
GG's. I have to go to work now, guys.
Yeah, I'm at stream.
Thank you. Yes, thank you so much for the stream, guys. stream.
W
Love you guys.
stream.
Thanks for
W.
lending me your Lambo.
Hey, yo, I got new
No
gift.
problem.
It's Alvaro from Sharkman. W Sharkman chat.
W
Let's
Shark,
see.
man.
Hey, yo, I got new emote.
Thank you so much.
Let's go. I'm so equipping this. This is amazing. Let's see what else we get.
W
Murder
Shark.
on the dance
Thank you,
floor!
stream.
Oh my god. Please equip this. I love you, Sharkman. Not gonna lie.
W guys.
Honestly.
I go work now.
Hey,
Much
yo.
love.
Nice playing with you, Brynjar. Until
Nice playing with you. Hold down.
until we meet again, bro. Until we meet again.
Until we meet again. Have a great stream later if you stream.
Yeah. Thank you, bro. Thank you, bro. Much love. Much
Much
love,
love.
boy. I'ma find all the emotes with. Oh, here they are. Okay. I want to. Yeah, okay. So emote 1 is this, and emote 2 then has to be okay. This. Emote 3 is this. Emote 4 is gonna be. Binni, are you gone?
No.
Okay, wait. Alright, bye chat. Thank you so much for watching stream. I will see you later. Much love. Peace out. Pre-sales for my European tour. Scandinavia stop. Scandinavia will open 11 tomorrow. So see you. Peace. Much love. Bye. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye.